Neil out here sounds like a rapper with the handoff over there. Well, welcome back to Memes and Movers. It is Tuesday, November 9th. It is the beautiful Miss Me to our right.
Hey guys, welcome back everyone. Please, as usual, be active on the chat, ask us anything, and we would really appreciate if you smash the like button. What a crazy day, Prad. How's your day going?
Bonkers, absolute bonkers. It's I have no words to explain. You know, my PNL has been all over the place, but we're back in the green. Actually, back above to where we actually started before the market crashed, and so that's all that matters, right, Miss V?
Right.
How are you doing? Your trade's good today?
Well, yes, I'm in a positive territory on Tesla, though I didn't catch that crazy move to the downside, but I picked up a bottom a little bit and was nice long trade for me, $12 in the money.
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, Miss V. We'll need to come back to that for sure because you know you are our Tesla
Absolutely.
expert. So today, guys, obviously I'm just gonna give you a quick run through, as I always do, of what my trades are. Before you guys attack me for Roblox, I will admit defeat. I will admit defeat about Roblox. I will admit that even though my mind is you know convinced that I still don't care about the company or the game, you can't ignore the numbers. Those numbers that they reported yesterday, absolutely insane. You cannot bet against kids with daddy credit cards. Insane. Like Fortnite was out there doing crazy numbers, and then Roblox is here doing crazy numbers. So guys, you cannot ignore the numbers. I caught that dip at 95. You saw Sean Neil have that dip too, so I was pretty like happy seeing they have the same order. Obviously, every time they have the same order, it means I'm on the right side, or at least the conviction is increased for me. So here we are. I caught that dip, rode it all the way up to 100 or so, got out in front of VWAP, and then I got the short in front of 105. I had to get out of that short once, but then when I saw the weak break happen, I just jumped right back into it, rode it a bit down over here, and then obviously now I'm hands off on this position. But I do think, you know, Roblox 105 could break eventually and could go higher, but it just depends on where. Prad, you know you play Roblox every day. Actually, I have so much Roblox tweets tweeted out last night just for, you know, rebuttal evidence, just in case you guys start attacking me. So I'm getting ready, just waiting for those attacks to come by so I can dodge and weave like I'm Muhammad Ali over here and throw some punches back at you guys. But yeah, there's my Roblox trade today. Here we have some lift positions. Lift, obviously my second best trade. I'm still in this right now. Over here, I got the 54 long. If you guys are following me on Twitter, this is what I tweeted last night. Lift watching at 60, 56, 54, and 52.5. So 54, we go to 54, I punch long. We go to 56, I punch short. So I rode that long all the way through by catching that bottom, and now we're riding that short all the way through by catching that top. The next trade, PayPal. We are long PayPal 200. I tried catching the SSR bounce, but I kind of ignored my own trade there. I didn't take the SSR bounce, which was amazing. But then I tried taking the 205 bounce, which I scalped it for a little bit. And then I got the 200 bounce over here, which I'm still riding a little bit of my position to see if we can go back to VWAP around 205, 206 or so, where my orders are laid for that outs. And then let me show you quickly one of my losers. Tesla, I believe, and Coin were my only losers, and the other losers I'm kind of turning around to a winner. So here we go. I tried to catch the long in front of 120 or so. My charts just died on me. I tried to catch the long over here, completely got burnt. Tried to catch the long over here, got burned again. So I just went short in front of VWAP, which is working. I guess I could just keep recycling the short over here and just keep scalping that entry on Tesla. So Tesla giving you great opportunities for the short side today. Space, yeah, we can go space. Man, what a drop on the overall market today. If you guys are watching, insane move in the overall QQQs and SPYs. This came out of nowhere. Could be Elon Musk actually dumping his position in Tesla as he said he would if the votes went through. So that could have very well just been the crazy spike down on Tesla that brought everything along with it. But I was glad to catch the bottoms. If you guys were catching the bottoms, what an opportunity over there. Miss V, since we're talking about Tesla, you want to go to your trades?
Absolutely. absolutely. Thanks for asking, Prad. And yes, guys, I missed that fall to the downside. Anyways, I believe it happened like in a second. So, well, anyways, congratulations to everyone who caught that short. But what I did, I got into a long position around 1076. At first, stock went against me, but then found a bottom and support at 1056 and went to the upside. So I made around $12 per share. I'm super happy with that it turned positive for me. Now Tesla still holds above VWAP, so down more than 6%. Let's see where it goes.
Yeah, insane, Miss V. And apparently people are saying it's his brother who sold 109 million shares. So
I've heard you were screaming that it's Elon Musk.
no, I'm saying
selling
it could
his
be
shares.
Elon selling his shares is what I was saying. Yeah, but I think Chad is saying it's his brother right now. So if that's
Alright.
true, that's funny. We'll see if that's what the news comes out. But yeah, obviously Lyft just kicked me out into my profit target. I was gonna cover space for you guys, so let's quickly look at space and I'll show you where Lyft target profit just hit. I think it hit at 5560, 5560, yeah, 5560 target executed. X amount of shares just got filled. There you go, cool. So I'm still holding my Lyft short, but it just got filled on target. So space right now up 6.66%. With 14 million shares traded. Pretty odd that the stock randomly decides to pop up like crazy when the market was going downwards. So not sure what caused it to do that. But overall, I'm still negative biased on, or bear biased on space, because I don't think it's a valid company in terms of going to outer orbit and whatnot. The cost is too much from what we've seen for a ticket. Like normal people will not be able to take that, and based on that, like how much money are they gonna get? They continue to get issues with FAAs and regulations. So I'm just short space on every pop that it comes until they actually show me a profitable business plan, which I've yet to see one come out. Space to drop later today, 100% agreed, guys. 100% agreed. I think space deserves to be going lower, especially when the market's going down. It doesn't make sense for space to go up.
But can we take a look at Hive? Do we have it?
Can we take a look at Hive? Yeah, we can. Hive.NQ. Oh, it looks like it's halted. So let me add that to imbalance locator. Oh, that's the wrong one. Let me add that to the bad boy right here, and then hive.nq, hive.nq, save, and I gotta bring that over to the screen. Come on. All right, so there we go. Hive.NQ is halted around 534 and is indicating to open around 528. So obviously indicating to open lower than the halt price from where it halted. So let's see if it actually does that, or it manages to churn its way back to 535, 534 on the imbalance locator, and then actually open around there, maybe run back to higher areas after opening up where it halted. SDC on the move back up. I kind of did tweet that last night. If you guys again are following me, I think SDC is popping right now off of bad earnings because the short covers, and there could be buying coming in, thinking that this is a value buying area. So obviously 360-ish or so is the all-time low on SDC. I think it's 360. Let me just quickly check for you guys. All-time low is 364. So 364 being the all-time low on Smile Direct Club. We are seeing a low of 388 today, and then it started going higher from there. So I'm exactly what I expected it to. I'll be honest, I kind of thought maybe we could see a short covering and a spike all the way up to $5, but we did not see that. We're seeing the stock getting rejected around 430, 420-ish, and trying to form around VWAP at the moment. So pretty much how I planned it out, but no trade for me to pull over here. You know, there's way better trades out there. There's the bottoms to be caught on PayPal, on Roblox. There's amazing opportunities across the board. So not many day trading opportunities that I see that you could pull off on Smile Direct Club today. But overall, you know, bad earnings, and I think they cut their forecast for 2022, and that's obviously causing the stock to go below $5 and not being able to even reclaim anywhere close to that price point where they were at yesterday. So, but overall though, I am happy to see that my call out saying that they might be around 4. Expect a little spike off of the all-time lows is playing out exactly.
Prad pads is up more than 40% today. Now it's moving back to the Viva, but still in a positive territory.
Yeah, so let's go check out Pets. Pets is still moving. Like we saw the stock move not too long ago. Yesterday into the close also, it started going all crazy. Ran up to as far as $7 from $4. I want to make sure if that's after hours or that's during hours. That could be after hour move. So it did go up to $7, and then now we're seeing it open around 5.35 and run all the way up to 9.40 with 45 million shares. Let's go check what's the most volume today. Palantir doing the most volume at 76 million. Okay, not often do you see Palantir at the top of the leaderboard. So maybe it's time for Palantir to give us that amazing opportunities to get long in front of 24 and 23 again, because obviously 26 broke and 25 ended up failing. Are you short space trader Prad? No, I'm not touching trades right now. I'm in a couple trades that I just want to bother managing. You know, obviously, going through my stats again, I've realized I gave back a lot of money in trading during the lunchtime again. So I don't want to fall back into those repetitive patterns. HLTZ is now open, so let's go check out Roblox. Let's go check out what Roblox is doing. Roblox is down to 101 right now. So wow, I gave up my short so easily there, and we're going towards VWAP. Let's see if Roblox starts bouncing off of VWAP. Looks like it might have already bounced a little off of VWAP there. 170 or so. Let's see if we can continue doing that and go test 105 again. We did go as high as 105.70, but that was a pretty weak break. You guys saw Sean and Neil talk about that weak break above 105, but obviously if you are going to find support above VWAP, which is over $100, I don't see what's stopping Roblox to go above 105 and keep on rocking to the top side. Once again, not gonna be an investor, but it's not gonna stop me from being a day trader when the stock is giving you multiple opportunities to make money. It's put the bias aside if the day trading opportunities is there, guys. That's the number one rule, I would say, at least, is like put your investor or your personal biases aside. If the stock is giving you opportunities to make money, smash those opportunities.
But can we take a look at Woozy? It's
Wooz.
up more than 16%.
For sure. If I can get the VUZE?
VUZI.
Oh, ZI. All right, let's go check out VUZE. Come on. All right, there you go. Up about 16% with 6 million shares traded right now. I'm just quickly glancing over at my other positions, see what Lyft is doing. Lyft is continuing to come down, so that's good. All right, so VUZE, 6 million shares so far, going to $14. We did break 14 slightly to 14.09. Obviously, that's going to be a weak break, but the stock managed to find support on the way down at 13.70, 13.60s in range, allowing it to go back to the $14 right now. And looks like it wants to prime itself up for that $14 break. Obviously, we are going into the lunchtime not too long from here, 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, known as the lunchtime, where the volume period dies off. And when that happens, maybe 14 doesn't break, but if we end up holding around VWAP or even above 14, or sorry, around 14 or above VWAP, we can get that breakout of 14 as the stock is looking like it wants to do so. Do you like AMD to break through VWAP by end of day? Let's go check out AMD. Obviously, I love AMD no matter what, but I think AMD, the 155 move is a little over exaggerated. But then again, there is the metaverse news. There is other catalysts allowing AMD to keep on rocking on the top side. But my question is, how high can AMD go? Obviously, this down move is kind of manufactured through Tesla and through the overall market. So AMD could have probably held up at 150 if this market didn't just completely go to the downside randomly. So based off of that thoughts, I think AMD could have more upside later on in the week, or even by until the end of the month or the end of the year. It could easily have more upside, and on that mindset, I don't want to short AMD before any of the important levels that I usually look at. So let me see if I mapped out any AMD levels last night. I did not even map any AMD levels, so I can't really tell you. Let me actually see if I have any on TradingView already lined out. I do have some. So we're looking at levels on the downside. So I need to remap these levels up here based on how today has traded. But on the way down, we have 141, 139, basically even dollars on the way down. Let's see how the stock behaves on the way down. Obviously, 145 is where we went long today, and that's the level we're going to continue to keep using to go long every time AMD goes down there. And 150 is now acting like a barrier or a rejection point on the way up. At least we are seeing it get rejected above VWAP right now. So that's the basic idea. So 145 to 150 on AMD. PayPal coming back down to my entry price here, so it looks like I might want to look to take more shares here on that long, obviously risking that 200 break. Oh man, it already ran through 20 cents off my entry there, and I could chase it a little bit, I guess, but we'll see. It is actually you know what? No, I'm not adding to my position. It is that time of the day where I add to my position and just start giving back everything that I've made already. I'm just gonna, manage the position that I have. If we go down to 200, I'll try to add at 200, 30, 240 maybe. But I'm not adding back at the same spot I already have an order at. And then if 200 breaks, I'll just take that loss and move on with it. We'll see what PayPal wants to do here. Lyft kind of struggling at the moment near 50, 55, 50. Not really going any lower than that, so I'm kind of wondering if I need to start booking more profits over here, just to not let Lyft go all the way back through 56 and then actually break out through 56. Obviously, that swing trade call out that I gave you guys when Lyft was at 48, earnings came out. I said if Lyft goes to 48, that's the biggest buy call I've ever seen, and here we are. It goes to 56 within a span of 2 weeks or so, and 56 obviously now acting as a barrier yesterday and today. So I would love to see if 56 breaks. My next target is $60 on Lyft.
Prad, can we take a look at QUBT? Quantum computing is up sharply today on news that QCI catalyst selected by BMW Group and Amazon Web Services as finalist in Quantum Computing Challenge.
Also, there's a super chat.
Yeah, I'll bring it up.
So QUBT, you said?
QUBT.
Yeah, so QUBT, and Miss V just gave you guys the catalyst over there, the reason why the stock is being appreciated by the market right now. 21% up almost, and 23 million shares traded today, easily allowing the stock to go from yesterday's close, which is around $6.20, opening right today at almost $7 and running as high as $9, and then 9 obviously being that rejection point, that barrier where the stock is not able to break through and then came back down below VWAP. Right now, I'm noticing a trend that the stock wants to make, which is a higher lows and a higher highs on the way to VWAP. Obviously, the second high is not too far high from the second one, than the first one, so it could just be a double top. So you could just write that off as a double top. So, but I am seeing higher lows over here, and the stock might want to trend towards VWAP in low volume. So let's see if that plays out exactly as that. Volume has been dead for a while on QUBT indeed, but 23 million shares today, not bad overall. Looks like we did halt a little bit over here. Yeah, that is a halter. We halted around $8.30 and opened back at $8.41.
Thank you, Prad. And we have a super chat from Jagerbomb. Thank you very much. A lot of unknown by me words on this, but I'll try my best. Maybe I will need your help. Probably never get this mistaking. You're a budding Padawan, but you misspoke when you thought I would call you Senpai. Sean is Senpai for now.
Pradley, never
Makes
get this
sense.
mistaken. You are, I guess, a Padawan is like a Star Wars thing. He's calling me like a young Jedi on his way to like get to the master level that Sean, Neil, and Brandon are. So I'll take that as a compliment. But yeah, no, I don't want to ever be called senpai. That's weird. I watch anime, so being senpai is just like that's cringy. That's weird. So yeah, don't ever call me senpai, please. I am a young grasshopper. I am a young Padawan, and I never want to be a master because then I'll think I'll let my ego come in the way, and I'll stop learning because that happens a lot. I'll get too comfortable. I'll let my ego come in the way, and I'll stop learning. I never want to be at that point. I always want to be in that learning curve. I never want to plateau. I always want to be increasing my skill level, never decreasing, never stagnating. Young Padwan, young Pradwan, I like it. That's gonna get put on a shirt, man. That's gonna get put on a shirt. Young Pradwan in the cut. All right, where are we going? Young Pradman? No, dude, we're not going there now. Humility, thy name. Oh, dude, nah, stop it. All right, where are we going to? Nvidia. Ooh, Nvidia kind of gave me a little bit of a struggle today. Let me see if I'm up on it. I'm flat on it. I was pretty bad red on Nvidia today, like deep red on Nvidia today. But I'm flat on it now, which is actually good. But let's go check out what my trades look like if my chart wants to load up on me. If not, we can pull it up on the 15-minute here. Or maybe I can just reschedule the 15-minute. Reschedule? Maybe not reschedule. Refix the 15-minute to 1 minute here. So there we go. As you guys can see, I'm on the 1 minute. I went long, I believe, and I got burnt immediately. And I basically tried to go long 310. The stock dips down to 308. 97, and I had my stop at 309. Obviously got kicked out of that stop, but then immediately when the stock went back to 310, I went long and I made that money back out of it. So that was basically the trade over there. This candle right here pretty much turned me so far into the red, but luckily the risk reward on that trade was equally back. So bang, flat on that position. But obviously did not have my eyes on Nvidia after that. I went on to different positions. So 310 still looking to be respected multiple times. So now that if 310 comes back on Nvidia, I'm looking to get long, and 315 short still playing out. Let me see if that's exactly what I tweeted. I believe I said 310 to 315 on Nvidia, or 313, I believe I said. Let me just quickly pull up Twitter over here. Nvidia, I said 314, 310, 300, 295. So there you go. Nvidia doing pretty much around in that same area, just bouncing, giving you that beautiful range trade opportunities to just smash it. Take a look at Airbnb. Yeah, we can take a look at Airbnb. I did not trade the stock today at all. Oh, so we got rejected from 200. Obviously, the move in the market, the overall down move in the market also helped it go get whacked all the way down to 180s or so. If we are down at 180s, that's below the earnings report move. So obviously, I like the long here on Airbnb, but it is kind of past my entry point for the intraday. I'm gonna have to wait for the stock to come down to 190s or 190. I'm gonna say 190. Let's just say 187, which is the low a day, to be honest. But I like the long near 190. If we do go to 190 on Airbnb, I do like the long there, and then we could maybe ride it back towards 200. End of week or so. So the swing play over here with the overall market weakness, I like the swing play back to 200. But obviously right now it's a little past my entry point. I can't just push myself to take that entry.
Prad, can we take a look at EFGO? Stock is up. EVGO. Stock is up sharply after announcing extended partnership with General Motors and Uber, and EVGO has earnings tomorrow before the open.
Yeah, and obviously Miss V just said they have a partnership with Uber, and General Motors. You said I didn't read that one on the news, so that's thank you for that, Miss V, for updating me on that. So General Motors, EVGO, and Uber in a partnership, and obviously you guys know that General Motors is now being split into 3 different companies for aviation, for energy, and for automation. So you want to go to you? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I meant GE. Sorry. Wait, so EVGO has a partnership with GM or GE?
Let me check.
Did you say GM?
I said General Motors.
Oh, okay. So I got it confused. Sorry. Okay. So GE. There you go. GE is getting split. I got confused. I thought I heard GE. My bad, guys. That's my fault over there. GE is the one that's getting split. But yeah, the partnership with GM and Uber. Okay, that makes more sense. I was wondering why they have a partnership with General Electric for a second. So overall, 60 million shares traded around. We got a 23.53% move to the top side. $3 overall from yesterday's close. We're seeing, I'm just trying to see where the open price is. Open is 1762. So we opened pretty high, and ever since then we've been on the downwards from that open. Looks like we struggled to hold the pre-market range over here, and now we're just pretty much getting rejected by VWAP. Obviously, higher lows and higher highs on the way to VWAP, on the way to VWAP. Let's see if we can actually break VWAP because of this pattern. I would love to see a big volume spike come in, allowing the stock to break through 17, go back to 18, and then range trade between 19 to 18. Maybe at power hour we get that $19 break also, which would be great to see for EVGO, especially with the partnership coming on. Did you guys say Hertz open before?
Real quick, Matthew Godchild joined our membership. Thank you very much, Matthew. Welcome to the green side, and welcome all the new members today.
Yes, sir. Welcome, welcome. We love seeing new members join the family. Welcome to the Trader TV side. EVGO partnered with Jeff, sir. I messed up on that part. I heard wrong, but I don't know. Oh man, now where are we looking to? So we guys are going to PayPal. PayPal, yeah, is coming down still. Obviously, 13 cents out of the money right now from my previous entry, but not too worried about that position. As long as PayPal doesn't break 200, I'm not stressed at all. And if we do go below 200, I'm just looking to get more long at there. TTD, let's go check out TTD right now. Lucid new lows. Yeah, we could go to Lucid right after. TTD at the moment looks like 8%, almost 9% up at the moment, holding 94 at the VWAP, and then breaking out of 95 and 96. Obviously, this breakout of 96 and I'm gonna be a little questionable about this. Maybe, you know, I want to see a little bit more down candles above 96, just so we can see if there is any actual, like, you know, selling going on there. Let me just actually pull it up on, there we go. Where are we going to? TTD. Let's just go on the 1 minute and then pull up the indicator, which is already on. Awesome. And give it a second to load up the info. Come on. So there we go. So this is what I was talking about. We have a lot of green prints over here, which is basically, you know, the stock is still trying, but at least it's not single prints. We have some single prints over here. There's a barrier, looks like at 96, where we're currently trading at. Obviously, I'm looking to see what the stock does between this range. If it breaks this range over here to the downside, the upside move might be over on TTD. But if we end up holding this as a support, which was acting as a resistance, we could easily just start going to the higher side over here, especially during once lunchtime ends at 1 o'clock or so, and we get that volume spike coming in, or at power hour. You know, obviously our show now goes on to, by our show I mean the overall Trader TV umbrella, goes all the way till 4 o'clock. So once Memes and Movers ends at 2 o'clock, you guys get to see Sean, Neil, Brendan come right away instead of having to wait till 3 o'clock.
That's right, and guys, I think those are great news, and we deserve more likes for that, right?
Always.
I think so. And by the way, Troy is saying, hey guys, what are you looking as far as support on Tesla? Well, I'm looking at 1056 level. If it doesn't break it to the downside and go back to the upside, I might look for some long trade opportunities. What about you, Prad?
Yeah, I think that's a pretty sound logic right there. Obviously, we have a wick under 1050 all the way to 1030, but looks like the stock started rejecting the low of days around 1055 or even 1050. So if the stock goes to anywhere near 1055 or 1050, that's where I would try to look for a long. But I think Tesla's longs ideas are kind of dead now. you're basically just looking for you know, the short trades if you're a day trader, and if you did punch longs above 1200, I don't know when Tesla is gonna go back to 1200, or if it even has the move back to do that. Obviously the option market could take over and run it back up there, but now I'm seeing with the overall sentiment on Tesla, especially when Elon sent that tweet out if he should close 10% of his stake on Tesla, a lot of people might have started changing their sentiment on, you know, taking profits. A lot of people might have changed their sentiments on going short. Michael Burry and the Michael Burrys of the world might have thought about loading up on their shorts harder. So I'm just going on that side of the thesis. If Tesla is ever going to go back above 1200, it's going to probably take a lot for it to do so. So I'm just looking for short opportunities at 1110, or sorry, yeah, 1100, and then at 1200 again. I'm looking at short opportunities if we go back there. Obviously Tesla kind of rejected at 1190 yesterday, if you guys were watching, not truly going to 1200. It looks like 1195 was yesterday's rejection on Tesla. So anywhere from 1195 to 1200 is a short territory, and then anywhere in front of, obviously today, it looks like 1101 is also a short territory.
Prad, Hunter Dixon and Luis Arias sent us super chats. Thank you very much, guys, for your support. And why don't we start with the first one? Hunter is asking if you will go short on car if we break past $270. A lot of air under from there. Car
under 270.
270.
Let me go check over here real quick. What's this car look like right now? So this is what I have. Car has been absolutely going nuts when the earnings report came out. So under 270, I don't know if I have that line drawn right now. Let me see. Yeah, I think, yeah, 270 makes sense. It says 270, 242. So under 270 does make sense to me. I could see that trade over there, but I'm going to have to do a little bit more technical research on my side, which obviously is going to require me to go through a more in-depth analysis of what car did in terms of volume, where volume take place. I can't do that right now because that's going to take more than like 10-15 minutes. I'm going to have to sit there, really analyze a bunch of indicators that I use in terms of volume indicators to help me with that side. NEWR all-time high. Let's go check out NEWR. Oh, sorry, Miss V, you have another super chat?
Right, thank you, Prad. Luis Arias is asking us to take a look at AGC.
Yeah.
AGC SPAC merger with Grab, biggest SPAC deal in history, valued at 40 billion PT of 55 plus.
Okay, AGC. So NEWR, Brandon just called out all-time high. I'm just going to show you guys this really quick, see what it's doing. And yeah, it is making a new all-time high right now with almost 4 million shares traded for the day, inching its way with low volume towards 124. So obviously we did get a 124 break, but now it's going back below that. So 124 looks like a weak break over there, and we might see a little bit of a rejection, go find support at 122 or even at 120 to see if it has another leg back to the top side. AGC, thank you for that super chat, Louis. Louis or Louis?
Luis Arias, but maybe if it's French, it's Louis.
Louis.
Louis Arias.
Yeah. So thank you for that super chat. We will cover AGC for you right now. AGC 14% up today with 10 million shares traded overall. Looks like it wants to right now find support around VWAP. Obviously successfully doing so, even though it did dip under VWAP slightly. Not significant enough of a move under VWAP. It could easily find support here, range trade here for a little bit sideways, and then go test all-time highs. Sorry, not all-time highs, days high again on AGC. It is a SPAC merger that Miss V or Lewis just mentioned to us. So we'll see where that takes it. It is Asia's largest IPO, valued 40 billion. So yeah, insane big IPO over there. Let's see where that IPO takes it to the position overall.
Prad, positive day for Bitcoin.
Ooh.
$66,794. And also Coinbase earnings are coming after market today. So what are your thoughts on crypto?
Yeah, obviously, if you guys are watching last night, Coinbase broke all-time highs, creating a new all-time high. So I think it was at what 68 something, Miss V. No, 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 no. We're just talking about it. Uh, we're just talking about it. But yeah, 68.56.4 is the all-time high created, I believe, last night. So that's a good thing to notice on coin. Sorry, not on Coinbase, on Bitcoin. So obviously, if Bitcoin's going up, you expect Coinbase to go up. So I was looking coin for that long. I was looking for coin, especially for the IPO level. So I leveled out the map. Sorry, I mapped out the levels on TradingView over here. So the IPO open print, I believe, was 381, and then we went as high as 429.54. So I'm basically just waiting for that 381 long break for coin that will just be monstrous when crypto, or not crypto, Bitcoin is getting ready to get that 100K. I think someone tweeted yesterday, and I can't remember his name, and he's a pretty big FinTwig guy. He's a verified profile too, and he basically said Bitcoin is looking like when stocks get ready to break that $60-$70 barrier to $100, or that 60-70 cents to that $1 barrier. So Bitcoin is kind of looking like it's getting ready. The people are changing their sentiment. People are changing their mind about what's gonna happen over here. So that's what it takes, right? Psychology, sentiment, people ready to push that button and make that buy execute or that sell execute is what actually moves the market at the end of the day. So that sentiment change in people is a good thing to notice. So Bitcoin 100K end of the year is the question over there. You know, I have a poll going on my Twitter, so go vote on that. Let's go to Sean.
Yeah, exactly. You're not wrong, but here we come with a bang right here, because NVIDIA, baby. I mean, how good right now that 310. We were testing it here. So we were long 312, 3 a bit. And then look what happened. We took this 310 long. We talked about their conference starting at 11 o'clock. Right, nice move to the upside. We just took a piece out, 2/3 out there for VWAP. So that's a $5 win there on NVDA. Check back in on AMD. I know you're doing all this already, but just letting people know that this was the biggest trade that saved me today. We put on double, triple our shares down here. We got frustrated in the morning time, Prad, with both Palantir and with AMD, but we seek revenge, and revenge we get, because AMD straight to the upside, 144 and change. Our last out for a quarter of it, 149. So we have back-to-back $5 winners there, both on AMD and then again on NVIDIA. So just took that out, wanted to let people know because we did tweet that out. And then unfortunately, PayPal, we're still stuck here, man. I don't know if you've been trading this or not, Prad, but this 201 is just like blah, 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 doing absolutely nothing. It went back into the money for us one more time at 202. I mean, we're long at 202. So we'll see. If this breaks 200, we gone out of that one. You have any positions on PayPal, my man?
Yeah. I'm long 201 on PayPal. We gave back a lot on trying to catch PayPal on stupid executions. You know, I had an idea that I called out in the work Discord chat that we have with Adam and everything. I'm actually noticing a lot of size on PayPal there that did not go through. That's just making me want to go long again. So I'm just gonna go punch another order right there, because there was a lot of size on 201 PayPal. If you guys noticed how it just kept printing 201s and we didn't even go below 201. So if you notice that, that's the easiest front run trade you'll ever see, man. 201, if 201 breaks and that size gets taken out, just get out of the trade and call it a day on that position and look for another entry. So obviously, if you just punch it right there, you'd already be up 40 cents in the money on that trade. So let's go PayPal on that 201. But yeah, obviously what I was saying is, if you calculate the yesterday's close to what 10% down from yesterday's close is, that's the SSR number. I basically called out, guys, let's look for the SSR. I did serious buying at 201. Yeah, let's go, Jude Fernando. But you know, I noticed not that I noticed. I basically called out the SSR value. Adam said it's around 206, and he took that long trade off of that 206, and it instantly was in the money for him. I was impatient. I tried 2010. I was impatient afterwards. I 205. Got burned on both of those. So I'm still down on PayPal, but not too far down where I can't turn the day around on this stock. So obviously, PayPal, I'm just gonna throw one more order here to get long in front of 201, because obviously there was a lot of size there, and I would love to have this size, some skin in the game in front of 201.
Prad, can we take a look at SOPA? I believe it just went public. And meanwhile, real quick, I want to give a shout out to the Playmaker88 for being a member for 6 months. Thank you very much for your support, and we're super glad to have you on board.
Yes, sir. I'm just throwing out my stop here. Looks like 201 will get taken out. There you go. 201 size got chewed through. I'm just getting ready to throw my stop on that 200 break over here. Obviously, that's going to be the big value. But the size in front of 201 that we were getting a long in front of did get taken out. But still not worried about our longs here. Obviously, 200 is the level that everyone's watching. Let's just hope that the stop hunters don't come for us, because that's the the number one thing. The stop hunters easily know where everyone's orders are right now, and they could just flush the stock down and kick people out of that position. I don't see the size on level 2. It's a hidden order. Oh yeah, then that's an iceberg if that's the case. So if you're seeing a hidden order, it's just an iceberg, or it could be possible that you don't have the entitlements with your broker. So you might wanna contact your brokers to see what type of gateways you are eligible to see on your level 2. I will also reload at 210. I think 200 will bounce. Yes, obviously that is the idea that you, me, Sean, Neil, everybody's using. But be careful for those stop hunters. The market stop hunters are out here in full force. Where are we going? I will. Oh, there we go. Nice little pop. Miss V, sorry.
SOPA.
SOPA. SOPA.
Yeah.
SOPA halted, and you said this was the IPO?
Yeah.
So yes.
Just went public.
Go ahead.
I believe just went public.
Just went public, yeah. So SOPA is just went IPO today. Must be nice catch over here. Halted right into the IPO, so it opened at 1550 and it went as high as 1820 on really no volume at all. So not too exciting over there. But let's see what SOPA wants to do once it opens up. Just got to throw some orders for covering on PayPal. Obviously, not going to sit there and watch it go all the way up and not take any profits. There you go. I just threw out a bunch of profit targets over there on PayPal. Oh no, I took out 2. I had 2 orders on 202 instead of 1, so I took out more than I wanted to. Darn it, Prad. Keystroke error, whatever. But if we do go back down to 200, obviously you know what we're doing. We're going long, but instantly we were up $1 in the money there on that PayPal long. So let's go, guys.
Prad, are we available to pull up European market stocks?
Yeah.
So we have a super chat from Anthony Mover.
Well, sorry. Well, depends on what European market, actually.
Well, anyways, I'll read the super chat because we really appreciate that, Anthony. Check out Hugo Boss. It's Boss on Denmark.
Yeah.
Heavy moves last days. Crashed heavily during Corona and now doing very good with the former Tommy Hilfiger manager.
So yeah, no, I don't have Denmark entitlements, but we can add it if we need to. I try not to add entitlements that I don't trade. Obviously, it's just added costs and whatnot. So Denmark is something that we do have capabilities in. Adam is the #1 go-to for the European markets. His job is feeding European markets brokers their breakfast. He buys the McDonald's sandwiches every morning. So Adam, if you're here, I think your European brokers are looking for some breakfast right now. It is 11:30, so you probably fed them already, but they probably bought you steak dinners because you're a killer, Adam. You're an absolute monster. So let's see what Adam is posting on his blotter today, later tonight. Obviously, boss, I cannot pull it up in actual time right now. I can only pull it up on delayed time on TradingView. It is absolutely going monster mode, 3.4% up, and this is 15 minutes delayed. Obviously, the European markets have closed, so 11:35. 11:50 is when we'll see what the closing print is on boss.
Real quick, DE is Germany. I said something different. Thanks, guys.
You want Adam's nuts? Yo, listen, Adam's my boy, okay? We gotta be that way, yo. I praise you too. I don't see you saying that about yourself, Sean. Sean's over here, friendly banter in the work chat. But yeah, BGFV. Looks like PayPal wants to keep on rocking the top side. Nice little long there in front of 201. Let's go check out BGFV. Yeah, BGFV still going to the top side. All right, 12% move overall, holding VWAP right now. 338 looks like it held 38 on the down move after 39 being rejected. So now that 38 ended up holding, 39 going right through the roof over here with 2.4 million shares traded overall. Let's go check out what BGFV's thing is. Whereas trade ideas, there it is. BGFV's, what am I looking for? The word I'm looking for is relative volume. Relative volume on BGFV is 3.6. So, not, wait, is that right? Is that the relative volume number? You should be. I think that's the relative volume number, 3.6. So it's still doing decent amount of volume compared to what it usually does. So that's a good thing to notice. BGFV still has some momentum, some buying left in it. NASDAQ popping indeed. Thank you for the call out. NASDAQ is going through VWAP right now. Just breaking VWAP slightly, about to make a double top on the 3-minute. And SPYs are getting rejected by VWAP a little bit as we're trying to follow QQQs.
Prad Tesla touched that support level of 1056 and now moving back to the upside. So let's see where it goes. And we have another super chat from Hunter Dixon saying, Prad, can you check your system to see where SOPA is projected open off the halt? Thanks.
SOPA is projected off the halt. SOPA.NQ. Save, yes. Close, bring up imbalance locator. And SOPA is indicated to open at $22. I thought we were halted at 18. Okay, SOPA maybe is a little bit more exciting than I thought. Okay, so we halted at 18.20 and it wants to open at $22. Let me quickly now then go check what IPO calendar is looking like. Where's the IPO calendar? Here you are. What is SOPA's share size looking like? What is the offer amount looking like for SOPA? Offer amount 26 million and only 2 million shares being offered. It's supposed to open at $9, but it opened at $15. So okay, something crazy going on here overall, but it is a low flow. You can get trapped very easily. Market makers need to sell the shares. He could trap you on the long side and just sell everything that he needs to on the way down. So be very careful on these low floaters especially. I am probably not going to take a trade on this, but I would love to keep my eyes open on this stock just to see what kind of crazy moves it's going to offer us. Now, and since we are talking about IPOs, we cannot ignore the IPO coming tomorrow. IPO Rivian. Rivian is going to be one of the biggest IPOs that I've seen ever. Obviously, AGC being the 40 billion IPO you guys are talking about, but my biggest IPO experience actually live trading it will have to be Rivian. I don't remember ever seeing a number being this big. $11 billion offer amount and 135 million shares being offered on the public market. This is insane. So let's see how this stock plays out tomorrow. I can't wait to punch the opening print. I think it's going to open somewhere around 85 or 90, and it's going straight to 115. Straight to 115, no doubt in my heart. Let's see if it plays out that way. Rivian is going to be my next GitLab call out over here. Tomorrow it's going to be all eyes on GitLab. Sorry, not all eyes on GitLab, all eyes on Rivian.
Prad Hive is open, and also we have super chat from Higher Grounds. Thoughts on UPST earnings after market?
Yeah, so Hive opened at 534, and then looks like SOPA opened at 2174, and now we're halting again at 2392. So I'm not gonna push an order. Nope. Prad's not gonna do it. Prad's not gonna do it. I want to. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. It halted again, and where's it wants to open? $28. Man, I should have just done it. No, it's okay. I'm gonna stick to my rules. It says 32 now. But it went back to 28 instantly. This is insane. Obviously, the stock wants to do wild things today. This stock is going to be the next DWAC, I think so, from the way it's setting up. Halt into a halt. Let's see. It's going to probably go right into another halt. I'm not doing it. Don't worry. I'm not giving back my profits like I usually do. So I'm not touching it with a 10-feet pole. It's restricted? Thank you, Jesus. No, don't get it unblocked. Don't get it unblocked. All right, Miss V, what'd you say, sorry?
Someone asked us, send us a super chat to take a look at UPST before earnings. So I thought maybe it would be a good idea to guys show you earnings after market today and before they open tomorrow. Can you remove my face?
Yes, Miss V.
Right. All right, here we go. So Upstart, Kodak, Coinbase, DoorDash, Neo, Plug Power. Oh my God, so many cool names. Our favorite Olaplex, Prad earnings are
Why is
coming.
it our favorite?
Because you brought Olaplex.
You're the one who uses it, not me. Why is it our favorite?
I'm going to use it this Saturday, I believe. So, yes, a lot of great names, guys. Write in the comments what you are the most excited to trade tomorrow. And you, Pratt, do you find anything exciting in here? And can we take a look at Upstart?
Right away, my eyes just go to Aurora Cannabis. You know, obviously, no explanation needed. Just Aurora Cannabis. And then right after McCafe, DoorDash, Wendy's. Okay, I don't really care about Wendy's. I'll be honest. Plug Power, NIO is today after hours, right?
I believe so.
So NIO today after hours, 3M. Okay, there's some good brands out there that obviously got to keep an eye on. Kodak, Unity. Roblox's earnings has been such a big monster move that I think Unity is going to be also something that we have to keep our eyes on. So Unity is for sure, guys. Add that to your basket right away.
Yeah, Neo aftermarket.
Neo aftermarkets. All right, so I did take a target on lift over here. We did come back down to VWAP. So, I thought I had a target at 55.40, but looks like I didn't. Now I'm holding my last little position. I think last quarter of a position. If I'm being if I calculate it in my head real quick, I think it's a quarter of my position left on lift overall on the short side. Obviously, I'm looking to see if 55 is going to be tested on the way down, which means VWAP has to break. If VWAP, if 55.60 goes back through on the top side, I'm just gonna exit on this short side and just book all the profits on the 55.60. So I'm just gonna throw out an order for that. I'm sure. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Palantir is still rocking to the top side, up $1.40 right now on that position. Okay. Donut with Starbucks would be nice. Ooh, a donut partnership with Starbucks, huh? But yeah, obviously we saw what happened with their earnings. Their earnings came out and they kind of missed that whole side and this downside overall. We also have the whole battle with employee salaries that restaurant chains and a lot of retailers are having in general. So we'll see where that takes place or when that get resolved. Trader Prad and V, how tall are you? Ooh, I'm about 6 feet, so very close to 6 feet. I think I'm like 5'11 3/4.
I'm 165 centimeters. I don't know in.
165 centimeters. I'm 180, so I think that's like what 5'8", 5'7".
Around that.
Yeah, 5'8", 5'7", maybe. I don't know. I'm guessing. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. Is that wrong? How much is 160? I don't know. I'm just guessing over here. Does it look like I'm good with math?
Prad, Dominic from Laris sent a super chat screaming, is SOPA really looking to open at 35?
No, it's looking to open at 26 right now. It did jump up to $34, $35, but then it's going lower, obviously. I think the highest number was 32, and then it went down to 28, and then now it's at 26. Obviously, SOPA halted at 23.91, so you're still going to get $2 or so in the money for that position overall. 5.5, okay, yeah, so it wasn't that far out. 5.3, okay. Pro traders say, do I look like I'm good at math? Exactly, man. You gotta, just make a comedy out of it every time you make a mistake, because that's the only way to write it off. Miss V is larger than life. And I hope that's a good thing. I hope that's a good thing.
I hope it's a
I thought that was a bad thing, but I hope that's a good thing.
Because sounds like I'm not really tall, but very wide.
No. No. Oh, I hope that's not what that means. All right. Is Tesla testing or going through the floor? Tesla is coming down towards that initial buy order price that I wanted to have. Obviously, I'm still second guessing myself to see if there's any more downside left in Tesla today. Obviously, it is SSR being down 10% today at one point. The stock is now on short sale restriction. You cannot short it by getting picked up on the offers. You can only short it by smashing the bids, or sorry, you can only the other way around. You cannot short it by smashing the bids. You can only get short by picked up on the offers on the uptick. I said it the other way around. Got it confused there.
Only hobbits are wide,
Wow, okay.
Tony says.
Let's see, what positions do we have? We have just Lyft and PayPal, not really doing much. Ooh, I have my position board covered, so let me just pull this over to this side. And looks like SOPA wants to open even lower at 25.10 unless it is already open. Let's go check it out. SOPA, nope, not open yet, but it looks like it wants to open around $25.10 at the moment, going into lunchtime 12. Prad, you only look at super chat? No, I clearly read your chat right now. I look at whatever my eyes directly go through, and sometimes it happens to be Tyrone Biggums and Brian Buckley trolling me. So whenever that happens, just ignore me reading out loud. What does that mean? Provide an example of short sale restrictions. So right here on Tesla, as you guys can see, we were just talking about it. SSR, you cannot short it, and you know what shorting means, right? You're expecting the stock to go down, not up, but you cannot short it by just throwing an order to sit on the offer. So you can only short it by throwing the order to sit on the offer. You cannot just take out the liquidity on the bids. So let's say you want to short 105.350. You can't just hit 105.350 and get short. You have to get short at 105.390 if that's where the offer was at. Please look at Hive. It just opened. Let's go look at Hive. Hive, oh my goodness, getting destroyed. What? Hive got opened at 534. So this is the halt. That was a extended halt. So we got a really extended halt. I'm not sure if this halt was a news-based halt or a volatility-based halt, if it's this long. But either way, the halt happened. I think we opened exactly where we halted, and we just flushed drastically on the way down here, and just spelling trouble on the way down. Now actually down 3% for the day, going below yesterday's close. Let's see what Hive wants to do here. This is insane. Hive was a news halt and a shelf. Okay, so yeah, that makes sense why the halt was so long there.
This is super annoying because I had trailing stop when I was in this trade. I put a trailing stop in this area in case stock goes against me. And look what now happened. It executed me as a short trade.
Did you have more size?
What do you mean?
Yeah.
No.
I think what happened was you might have had more size on the stop out.
I don't think
and
so.
then you took some profit, so that's why it flipped you into your trade.
I don't think so.
That's what happens.
But it was the same share size for my trailing stop.
But you took targets, right, on the way up?
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you fix your stop to change your size?
No, what do you mean? Like, okay, I buy shares,
Yeah.
right?
So let's say you took 50 shares, right?
For example.
You took 50 shares. You took out 10 shares each time on the way up. So 10 shares, 10 shares. You have 30 shares left. But on the stop, you probably still have 50 shares to kick you out.
Well, I got what you say, but what was in reality, I got 100 shares.
Yeah.
I got out 50.
Yeah.
I got out 50.
Oh, and then
I
you
had
forgot to
trailing
remove the stop.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I got into trade and now losing. That's what happened.
Well,
Annoying.
hopefully it goes down for you. Let's see.
Well, let's see.
Let's see. But yeah, obviously, if I was in your position, I would just get out of that trade. And I actually made a mistake today. Did I make a mistake today? Right after I made that mistake, I was screaming. I was so scared for my life, but that trade would have been good. I wanted the Roblox short at the top over here at 105 after 105 showed weakness. Instead of taking the size that I wanted, I took 10x the size that I wanted. Instantly panicked, closed the whole position, no matter if it was in the money or out of the money, closed the whole position right away and got back into the position to the right size that I wanted. And Greg was just like, Prad, what was that about? I was like, yo, bro, don't ask me. My keys knees messed up, my hands messed up, my brain messed up. I ended up getting 10x more size than I wanted to. That was a panic and a half. But overall, you know my rule. If I make a keystroke, I punch out of it right away. I made a keystroke yesterday live and I punched out of it right away. I made a keystroke today in the morning. I punched out of it. It doesn't matter if I'm in the right direction, even if I make a keystroke. I'm gonna get out and get back in with the right size that I want.
We have another super chat from Louis Arias. AGC.
AGC again. Okay, let's go see what AGC is doing. Oh, wow. AGC is continuing to rip and looks like Asia's biggest IPO is helping you guys out on the long side over here. Obviously, not sure what levels we can use on the top side. Let me just pull it up over here. All right, so AGC, we see some... practically no share sizes actually printed above in these ranges. So it's like we do see over here at $16 that 1 million shares were bought compared to 100,000 shares were sold back in February of 2001 or January of 2001. And ever since then, we came back to $10 and now we're rocking back to the top side. Obviously, being $18 being the barrier and the stock is now at $15, I don't see what's stopping it to completely going to 16, test 16 and break out of 16 and go all the way to all-time high at 18. But the question is when? Is it end of week? Is it end of day? Is it end of month? That's the question, obviously. So let's just keep on waiting to see what the stock does on the way up. And on the retracements, does it retrace all the way back to previous ranges, or does it create new range bottoms and inch its way towards 16 and inch its way towards 18? If that's what it does, then I'm more happy about the trade. But if it just whipsaws on the way up and whipsaws on the way down, I'm not too trigger happy to make a trade out of AGC over here.
Guys, I'm out of my accident trade short. Didn't have any losses, and stock goes to the downside a little bit. It might be a good short, but again, I was not planning that trade, so better just go out of this. And Tesla, how do you think, guys, can it break 1,000 to the downside today? Like
not today,
900?
probably not today. If it breaks 1,000 today, I'm gonna lose my mind. I will actually lose my mind. I will lose my mind if Tesla breaks 1,000 today to the downside.
Well, is it like Elon Musk CEO, right?
Yeah.
Like when CEO makes a poll about should he share his shares or not, I mean, what do you expect?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, you're not wrong about that. Sopa, man, what is going on? 3 halts right after IPO coming into play over here. You lost your mind so many times already. How many minds do you have? I have a lot, brother. That's what allows me to sit here and make these trades that I'm making. You know, this job is not for the sane. It's for the clinically insane. You know, I don't see a single sane person winning in this job. So far, if you are winning, you've got to be the craziest person out there that you know. That's my opinion. I'm wrong a lot, so I'm sticking to it. All right, SOPA, absolutely insane, man. Look at this stock over here. 27.61 is the halt price now, and we're gonna open at 29.55. So SOPA is moving towards $35 to $40. What though? Like how? Why? When? Where? Who? What? How? I'm losing. What? It doesn't make sense. The stock is supposed to open at $9. Look at this. It's supposed to open at $9. Society Pass Incorporated. What do they do? Society Pass Incorporated, we are building an ecosystem of platforms, technology-based companies that synergistically work together in transforming how consumers and merchants, what? Consumers and merchants, what? Come on. Merchants interact with each other in Southeast Asia and South Asia. Acquisition, market leading. Lifestyle, beauty, travel, food, and beverages. So over glorified Shopify. I'm hating because the stock is doing nonsensical moves. I'm just hating because the stock is doing insane moves. Ignore my hatred. No, this is insane, man. Absolute monster. SOPA to 50 would be killer. I'm not gonna pull a trade. I can't pull a trade. I think we're still blocked on it. So if we are, that's good. No, Neil ended up unblocking. It's 55 cents a share for shorts. You wanna go on talk about it?
Just for a couple seconds here, because look, it's 3 halts. It's only traded to 300,000 shares. For me, I'm going to lock in 55 cents a share. On a day where the market is now retesting the lows, I was about to say Tesla's about to break 1040. Tesla broke 1040. And we're still breaking downside. And you really think this recent IPO is not going to come cratering down to earth? I'm not guaranteeing that I'm going to have a position on this, because you have to find a setup and you have to find an entry. And who knows if we'll get something off of 30 or a rejection of a top. But ultimately, this is just one of those opportunities that you got to be able to take. Sorry, that I want to be able to take. You don't have to take this. It's done very, very low volume. It's very risky. It's expensive short, but I just got to be able to play it. I did grab some AGC off its failed break at 1550, but SOPA, look, on a day like today, I just cannot feel like this is going to go up forever. They never do, and people are going to be looking to take their profit. Don't get caught when you got one of these. If you're in the long for whatever reason, this is now 3 halts to the upside. By then, you should have made your money, hopefully, and then run to the exit. And you never went broke taking profit, and this is one that could come down hard, down to like $15 easily, which would cut it in half.
Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna bring myself to pay 55 cents a short. That's insane. I'd rather just sit here and watch the show for that. But wow, that stock is absolutely going monsters. And another stock going monster move to the downside is Tesla. Tesla actually breaking that 1050 downside and going as low as 1032. Wow, instantly $10 move back off that low over there from 1032 or so. Let's see if Tesla is going to go back through 1050, or is 1050 going to act as a barrier where you can no longer, break through 1050 on the top side on Tesla. So obviously, if Tesla goes through 1,000, it's gonna be a monstrous move today overall from what 1190, I guess 1180 to be from the high a day all the way down to 1,000. That's insane. If you had Tesla short from here, you are a killer. Congratulations on all the money you're making today. Musk will now buy back 105. Ooh, yeah. Who knows?
That's what I was thinking of. What if he's selling shares, expecting others to sell them, and then just buy them back himself?
That's called market manipulation.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's called market manipulation, and he's just waiting to pay SEC another $2 million for. Remember when he made that joke of Greg and I were having some conversations at the park yesterday, and it was basically about how Elon made that 420s funding secured joke, and he ended up paying $2 million to the SEC just for a Twitter. Like this is a richest man in the world, and he has way too much fun on Twitter. If you guys saw what he did with the congressman recently, bro, you're a billionaire. Why, how on earth do you just go on Twitter just making jokes like that? Absolute insane. But and that's why I love him. That's why I love him. He has FU money. He does whatever he wants. And long live Elon, man. Long live Elon. Why does your PP look like you just came? All right, bro. That's what you want to say. That's fine. Tesla buy, what's your opinion? I'm not touching Tesla before 1,000, man. I'm not touching before 1,000. He's got that FU money indeed, bro. That's that Jay-Z, Beyonce money, man. I guess, yeah, that's not that Jay-Z, Beyonce money. That's that. He's got the real FU money. We were asking yesterday, I was asking Greg, do you think in our lifetime, guys, we're going to have a trillionaire in our lifetime? I'm about 26, 27 years old. By the time I'm 60, 70, about to be turning over, you think there's going to be a trillionaire out there? Just something to wonder about. Let's see where Tesla is right now. Lyft, I'm just going to cover my full position on Lyft over here. Getting tired of holding this position. I don't think we're going to break through 55 to the downside. Obviously, just holding VWAP here for the most part. Market's coming down and Lyft is just holding here. So not doing too much for me that excites me. So I'm just going to be out of that position overall. Good profitable trade on that stock. Is it my best stock for the day? No, Roblox is my best stock of the day. Of course, the company that I completely talk bad about ends up being the best stock of my day today. So like I said, guys, keep your bias aside, keep your thoughts aside, keep your opinions aside. If the opportunities show itself, smash it, because all that matters is volume, not your opinions, not your thought processes, not your thesis. What matters is volume, and what matters is what market presents itself to you. That's all that matters at the end of the day. Trader Prad, what are you trading right now? Absolutely nada, brother. I am protecting my money. I am protecting my money-ones. But let's see if there is any opportunities. We are waiting for Tesla to come down to 1,000. If it even happens, honestly, I don't think it's going to go to 1,000 today. But obviously, it looks like it wants to. So we're waiting for that to see where it wants to go through. PayPal, we are long on our PayPal over here in front of 200/201. And obviously, we're trying to see if PayPal can continuously giving us that scalp longs all the way up to 203, 204. But we actually wanted to go to VWAP, which it's struggling to do so. I don't understand why it's struggling. Yeah, I get that they had somewhat of a missed earnings, but they have an Amazon partnership now. Amazon Venmo partnership, which is basically allowing from 2022 or 23. I think it's 22. I think it's from next year. They're going to allow people to buy on Amazon with the products, with the Venmo that PayPal is basically owns. If a firm can get a crazy, random, stupid move out of nowhere, well, not stupid, but nice move off of Amazon partnership, why can't PayPal, right?
Prad Sopa halted for the 4th time, and thank you Dominic Famalara for sending us a super chat with that alert.
Prad, why didn't you just FOMO yourself into that trade there? But you know what? Even if I wanted to, I would not have been able to FOMO myself on that trade there because the stock was blocked on our platform. So even if I wanted to, I would not have been able to. Man, the stock is absolutely crazy. But here's what I'm going to mention right now, guys. The stock halted the first time over here. That was a big gap. The second time, the gap weakened or lessened. The third time, the gap is decreasing. And now the gap is really getting small. So 33.36 is the halt. Looks like it wants to open at 35. This is looking like it's getting ready to stop halting on the way up and start turning towards the way down now. So get ready for that move when it's going the limit down, limit down, limit down. It could very easily do what it did on the way up. It could drop like $10 on the way down or $5 on the way down once it starts halting. So keep your eyes ready, keep your orders ready, keep your excitements contained, keep your emotions at bay, and smash it. Is he a he? Him? Bruh. Really? Do I look like a herd to you? All right. Do you like the crypto coin Piccolo? Never heard of it, my friend. I try to stay away from altcoins. I try to, yo, what's up, Lone? I try to, only follow coins that Sean gives me. So for the most part, it is ADA and Bitcoin. So whatever coins that Sean tells me are what I buy pretty much. Check ADA, he says, as we're talking about it. So let's go check it out. ADA USD. It is up 5%, baby. Let's go. That means my ADA should finally start being in the money again. My Bitcoin is big time in the money. I think I'm up like 12%, 13% on my Bitcoin. So let's go. And the ADA should now be in the money for me too overall. Very happy with what's going on that side. But Coinbase kind of taking a hit because obviously overall market going red side today. Buffering. Uh-oh. Please don't say that, Miss V. Can you verify that we're buffering?
I don't see that we're buffering.
Okay, it looks like we're not. So might just
Please
be
check your
on your
internet
end.
connection
Yeah.
and refresh.
Miss V, you want to say that again?
Yeah, guys, I don't see on our side if you're buffering, but thank you for feedback. Please just check your internet connection, refresh, and again in settings on the screen, I'll just quickly show you in here. you can go on video settings and choose quality. So if your quality low, you can make it higher, or if, for example, you have too high quality, because of that you're buffering, maybe you can make your quality a little bit lower. And Louis Arias sent us another super chat saying AGC.
Louis
again.
Arias is killing this AGC trade, boy. I see you smoking this trade all the way to the top side over here. Obviously, I did give that level on AGC, which was, let's see, the AGC breakout above. I think I said 16, right? Let me just quickly scroll back over here. Yeah, 16. Let's see AGC go test 16, and if it actually breaks 16, I don't see what's stopping it to go test $18. Obviously, because 16 is where most of the volume was last transacted. So if we're gonna break through this, I don't see what's stopping this bad boy all the way till 18, and then even higher if it wants to. So let's go see if that's gonna happen. Where are we going to? Just AGC doing power moves. Sorry, Miss V, I read that. You want to read that? Let's let that never happen.
Let's pretend it's never happened, Prad. Do you know what happened?
What?
We've got a super chat from Zeus Aranzo. Just AGC doing power moves right now. Step aside, Uber.
What currency is that?
I'm trying to find out. But for now,
that's
again,
a cool
AGC.
little currency symbol.
It
Either way, thank you for that super chat, my friend. So yeah, AGC going bonkers, mate, bonkers. Like I said, we need that 16 break and we need 16 to hold. If 16 ends up,
Philippine peso.
ooh, Philippine. Joe Coy, my favorite Philippines comedian. Joe Coy, I love Joe Coy's stand-up. Although his latest stand-up was very boring, his first stand-up was very good. So yeah, AGX, we're just waiting to see what it does around 16. If it finds support at 15.50 on the way down or anywhere above it, overall we're looking for that $18 test today. I think AGC is gonna go to that $18 today very soon. So just get ready, guys. The volume is there, the momentum is there, the eyes are here. People are obviously spreading the news around. The biggest IPO in Asia, the $40 billion IPO. Hertz is open. Ticker. So Hertz is now open with 4 million shares on the opening print. Let's see where we're rocking to. Open at 26.25, and looks like. Why is my candle red even though it's higher from the opening print? So just give it a second for that candle to fix itself over there. Even though it's red, guys, we are higher than the opening print. There we go. The candle fixed itself. 27 now breaking and going higher. Obviously, my opinion on Hertz, long, just because of the partnership with Tesla. But let's see if that actually pans out as my opinion and my thought process is. It bounced off of 27.90 at the moment, looking for that 28, looking for size on 28. If I do see size on 28, I'm looking for that breakout entry off 28 for a test of maybe 30 or even higher if we can go there on Hertz. Obviously, the stock was on the market before listed, and then it got delisted, went to the OTC markets, and now coming back and getting listed or get relisted, I think was what Brandon said yesterday on the closing show, coming back to the NASDAQ today. Let's see if the Tesla news is going to help us, or is the Tesla downfall today going to stop it from soaring to the top side?
We have a joke for you. Singing in the shower is fun until you get soap in your mouth. Then it's a soap opera.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. I like it. Looks like we're going through 28 here right now to go test it. Obviously, tape heating up a little bit, kind of exactly what we want to see. But I'm trying to see if I can notice size on the 28 over here. Let me just scroll down. I don't see any size on there, but we'll just wait to see what happens on that side. HTC is going to ballistic, people. Will be $40 in my opinion. I like the call out. Yeah, I'm bullish. I'm not gonna lie. But obviously we're trying to see if the overall downwards move in the market today and the downwards move in Tesla. The downward move in Tesla shouldn't hurt it much, or in general not hurt it.
Upside now.
Sorry, Miss V?
Tesla goes back to the upside.
Upside. All right. It looks like Tesla is going back to the upside right now. Any open positions for either of you? Yeah, I have a PayPal long at 201.1133333333. got Hertz at $1.32. Let's go. Did you? Does that get rolled over from OTC? I'm guessing it does, right? So if it does, absolute killer. VINO, I want some Vine. Yes, let's go check out VINO. 2 million shares traded on VINO. Wow, looks like it kind of having a bad day today. 21% down for the day. So I get what you mean by I want some wine now. But looks like it wants to find support, obviously, where we are at right now at $3.50 ish. If it continues to do that, and if it holds or breaks out above VWAP, we could very easily go back to yesterday's ranges. But even then, if it does do that, we are going to be on SSR for tomorrow the whole day, and for today the whole day, because it is on SSR after the stock drops 10%. Brian James, Tesla 1900 December. Ooh, we're having a Tesla wars here. Let's see what Tesla is looking like right now. Tesla did go back through 1050. Obviously, if Tesla goes anywhere to 1090 or 1100, I'm looking to short that position once we go back there. But I'm gonna wait till once we get to 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock to get into any shorts on any stocks in general, because I want to now get into that practice mode of saving my money instead of moving forward and throwing it away. You're better than Prad's favorite Philippines comedian, guy at LAX. Stop simping. All right, I see you. I see you. How's the stamp collection coming, Guy LX? Have you added any new stamps to your for your collection by any chance? How do you know how halted stocks open up on? We have an imbalance locator on our platform here that tells us, oh, looks like SOPA halted on the way down now. So SOPA halted at 29.70. I hope Neil's in it. Neil? Neil is on it, so we'll throw it to Neil right after I cover this whenever he's ready. It does want to open at 24.21. Neil, the man, ended up... let's go to you.
10-minute halt. It looks like a 10-minute halt. Otherwise, it would be open right now. I'm in Hertz as well right now, trading it, but it looks like 10 minutes on SOPA. So about 3 or 4 minutes, it will be open.
So yeah, there you guys have it. You guys just quickly got a glance of Hertz trade on Neil's screen, and he said he is short in SOPA, so it's gonna open in 10 minutes. We'll keep our eyes on it. It wants to open at 24.26, and it halted at 29.70. So as planned, once this down move halts happen, we could see a complete reversal back to the $20 area and halt on the way down there. So it'll be crazy to see what happens on SOPA after it opens up on this 10-minute halt. Is what Neil's saying. HTZ, sorry, I was going to say HRTZ. HTZ continuing to go. It looks like 28 is going to be tested right now. We are looking to see if 28 is going to ping on the offer. By pinging on the offer, we're talking about it going, testing 28, and then getting rejected, and then coming back to 28, and then pinging it like that. That's the pinging that we're talking about. There is there could be some iceberg orders there, so we'll try to take this breakout order to see if we can get that entry long over here on Hertz for 28 breakout. Obviously, we are seeing a little bit of a weakness in the overall market. QQQ trying to go down over here. SPYs are trying to go down over here. They're both below VWAP and trying to go for a new low a day, or at least attempting to make a triple bottom or a new low a day. Let's see what comes first, let's see what comes after, not first, and that will dictate if Hertz wants to continue going to the top side or not. This could be a reason why my PayPal is kind of halting around. Maybe not halting. PayPal is actually running back to the 203, 204 area. So I do have an order at 203 for profit. Let's see if they're gonna kick it into profit for me, or is it gonna turn around at 202.60. I am gonna be stingy. I am gonna be a little proud about it and not move my order from 203. Let's hope that does not burn me. But yeah, PayPal, go, indeed. Let's go, PayPal. Nike, we can go Nike. Oh, wow, crazy mix. What's up, Bisvi?
Prad,
Mix?
guys, it's like o'clock.
Ooh.
We still have around 3,000 viewers, and we would really appreciate to
That's
get...
a record. For
around 2,875. But yeah, we have welcome everyone who joined us for the first time. I saw on the chat today that someone was saying that they were looking for memes on YouTube and found this live show. So welcome everyone to MEMES and MOVERS.
You got debated.
Catch us every day. And yes, please, let's get 1,000 likes today again. I remind you that 2 days in a row, we were getting 1,000 likes. Yesterday we got that and you agreed to make a TikTok with me. By the way, I'll show you a little bit later. We're now again starting to put videos on TikTok. I recorded one myself, so come check it out.
Yeah, I saw that. It was good. It was good. I saw that one.
You did like it?
I liked it.
Okay, cool.
liked
And if you can relate to that video, guys, we would really appreciate if you like it. And yes, we are nearing 700 likes, so make the likes great again, guys.
What I also liked is Natalie's voice on that one.
Yeah.
Sounds like
Because you can't hear my voice?
you didn't talk.
Yes,
you just
like
picked up
that's why
hands.
you like it? That is
No,
not my voice?
No, I saw your face. I liked it. Miss V just throwing drama over here. Stop with the drama, Miss V. But no, what I was saying is her voice sounded like, you know those TikToks where the robot talks?
Like Google.
Yeah,
Yes.
it sounded like so robot. Like I was like, is this Natalie? Is this like what's going on? I was losing my mind.
Check
That
it
was
out,
good.
guys.
Yeah, Natalie.
TraderTV.Live on TikTok.
What's Valeria's TikTok, guys? I think it's a Trader TV TikTok that you.
Yeah.
You have a link?
Yes, I will
Yeah,
send
she can throw a link for you guys in there, and I can also put it up on the Nightbot for you guys when I have time. What?
I got 25.35, so about $4. It just bounced back to the upside though. So I mean, look, I'm gonna hang on to the second half of this. You know the rules. Hang on to half of the trade. If it breaks back above 30, I'm gonna be out. But crazy movement on this SOPA. And again, I still think it has a chance to go even lower than this. If it cracks 25 even, you could be at 20, you could be at 15. Who knows? It's even trying to halt up now. I might take some out on the halt up and then see if we can't hold through. Crazy action until it gives above 30. I feel like this might not be done.
Yo, Prad, come over here.
Let's go to Sean. Oop, wrong person.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, so look at PayPal right here. We're finally getting back. I know you have this, Prad, but I just want to give everyone an update here. I am long 202.30, so I don't think it's good a price as you have, but we're looking to get out now. I mean, if we can hit this 204, we've already been here before. I do have an offer out right now, 203.90, so hopefully we can, I mean, randomly, I can just get out now, it'll be fine, but we'll see if we can make 50 more cents on that, and then we'll see if we can take out VWAP. But right now, let's see, PayPal probably overdone to the downside, so we'll take out a little bit here at 204, which is coming up, baby. Let's go, Prad. Hopefully you have this. I know you do. Hopefully we can get this out around now, 204, and then we'll watch this going to the upside past that. So far, so good here, man. As Palantir battling back, and here goes PayPal one more time. So let's just, here we go. Oh, it went to 87 there. We're waiting at 90s, guys, on PayPal. So hopefully that wasn't the end of it. We'll take a little bit of bump up, but there it goes, man. Patience pays today, Prad.
Indeed, yeah. So I just moved my order to 203.50, watching that 204 area. I'm completely out now. That's gonna be my good winning trade right there. Hopefully it keeps going through VWAP, but my little impatience kicked in over there, and I just had to realize my profit. This is what I get for watching the unrealized a little bit and trading my emotions. So obviously I need to practice what I preach on some of those aspects, which is turn off your unrealized. We could have gotten more out of it, or maybe that was the top, but either way, I'm happy with my long off of 201, 200 area, and I'm hope that you guys are too. PayPal making us all some money on the long side for the dip buy opportunities overall. Where are we going to? Hey, Prad, what's your take on AGC IPO supposedly through any day now? It already opened, it already works. I have no opinions on it, but we're just waiting to see what it does to the high side. I think it has to go test 18, which is very possible. No opinions on the long, no opinions on the short. Just play the volume, play the levels, play the setups. The hot rules need a revamp. SOPA is impossible to trade. Yeah, especially if you don't have direct access like we do over here at Day Trade the World. It's gonna be a little bit harder because we have multiple gateways that we can use to at our advantage. So if you are using your Red Bull, not Red Bull, what's that thing called? Robin Bull? No, what's the thing called? Webull. Robin Bull. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to Robin Bull because no, not Red Bull.
Have you watched Formula 1?
Of course.
All right, Red Bull 1.
There's a.
It It was like this weekend. It was not the actual race, but like they were choosing.
No.
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 I believe it
Was it like a qualifiers?
Yes.
Oh, okay. No, I don't watch qualifiers. That's man, the races itself last so long. You think I'm gonna sit there and watch qualifiers?
Well, if you're a real fan.
I know. I watch highlights. I'm not gonna sit there for 5 hours watch qualifiers. No, I can't even watch 2020 cricket. And I know Neil's gonna be mad when he's miking up as soon as I say that. Like I can't even watch 2020 cricket. Like I have fun when the World Cup comes, 2020 cricket, but I can't even watch 2020 cricket. All right, you can't expect me to sit there and watch qualifiers of Formula One. But actual race, I'll watch an actual race. I enjoy fast-paced games, guys, like basketball, hockey, where people are just getting thrown across the boards and just bleeding and fighting. UFC, boxing, I don't know. Boxing is a little sleeper for my taste, but I enjoy when Canelo fights, which I miss, so that sucks. 2020 cricket is fast-paced. Yeah, maybe for a boomer. No, I'm joking. Don't kill me. PPSI. Let's go check out what PPSI is doing. PPSI still halting today a little bit, I think, right? No, actually did not halt at all today. No, did it? Let's see. Oh, yeah, it looks like it did halt today. No, it did not halt today, actually. So PPSI, 23 million shares overall, 22% down from yesterday's close. We did see it. Let me just close this box over here. Oh, that chart failed. I didn't even realize that. Close that chart. Let's quickly wait for the daily chart to load up just so we can get some nice clean levels to see where PPSI wants to trade around. Come on. Obviously, it's finding support around $7 off the open, around 10 o'clock or so, and now it's just sideways trading around VWAP, which also happens to be pre-market ranges. So you can expect the same pattern to play out for I guess, rest of the day, unless a big volume candle comes in, allowing the stock to break out for either direction. Basically, what I'm seeing on the dailies is the stock is doing what most stocks do after getting this crazy spike up to the top side, which is sideways trade for the most part, and just find buying areas. You'll see some profit taking coming in that also causes stock to go down a bit. What matters from here on out is when the volume picks back up after a little bit of a dry volume period, does the stock go higher or lower when the volume picks back up? So that's what we're looking to see. Right now it is trying to hold up around $8 and around $7. So let's just look for those two levels on PPSI. SOPA halted again. Wow. Okay, let's go see what it wants to open at this time. So this time it halted at 28.93 and it wants to open at 28.93. So it looks like the halting has kind of calmed down a little bit at least. So that's good. It's getting tamed in a lot of ways. So that's good to notice. But overall, man, not sure if this company deserves to be doing what it's doing right now, especially if the market priced the stock to be at $9 and they opened at 15 and they're going to 34. Like, this is insane. This doesn't make sense. Like, how is the IPO process optimized or efficient is the word I'm looking for, if this is what stocks do after they open and they start trading? NIO earnings today. Yes, indeed. NIO earnings after market today. Ready to buy AMC at 39.50. Good point. We did not even mention AMC or what's it called? GME today. So I actually like AMC long here. AMC above 40 is a long always. So I'm gonna throw out an order over here, and if 40 breaks, obviously I'm gonna get out of that trade for a loser. I'm just waiting to see if they're gonna give me 40.07 or do I have to cross up over here and punch out the 09s guys. Looks like I'm just gonna have to punch out the 010s 10s guy. So I'm gonna take 40.10 over here, and if 40 breaks, I'm gonna get out on that trade. It's as simple as that. Let's throw out my stop over here, and I'm gonna do a hard stop because I'm gonna have to switch positions multiple times on AMC, go on and off, so I won't be able to sit here and give it a mental stop or a time stop when AMC is about to break 40 or if it breaks 40. Obviously, the low a day being 40 exactly on the dot. The Pollinator. That's a nice name, Pollinator.
We should do Paul.
Yeah, do it. What do you want to do?
What? What do you want to do?
Guys,
Guys, what poll do you want to do?
Who's going to trade Rivian IPO tomorrow?
That was the
That
poll
was like
yesterday
yesterday.
at the close show.
Yeah. Let's see what the chat wants to
Yeah.
poll about.
Let's do this.
Let's go. Let's see what GME is doing. GME, while we're waiting for AMC to either stop me out or be in the money, let's go figure out what GME is doing. GME still above 200. Insane. Mind-blowing to me, obviously, that GME is above 200. I'm not bullish on GME as I am on AMC just because I'm a gamer and I know where my games come from. They come from free.com. Baby, I pay $0 for my games unless I really care about them. So I try to mostly play free-to-play games such as, you know, Valorant or Warzone, which are also the #1 go-to big games out there in the world. And just because I had some proof ready to fight with you guys and none of you battled with me with the Roblox, I'm just gonna throw these statements out there because so this is basically me and all my bears on Roblox hiding from you guys because I feel like you guys are gonna attack us all at the same time. So me and all the Roblox bears are hiding on the tree joke. Where's my Roblox post? So right here, so this is the most popular games by player count. Look at where Roblox is at the bottom of the list over here. Obviously, there's more stocks below it, but Roblox, I cut off the clipping at where Roblox ends. So player unknown battlegrounds. That's 1 billion players at its peak, and here we are at Roblox at I think 400 or 40, or I think it's still 202. This is This does not include the earnings from today, right? So we have Pac-Man over here that came out God knows when. We have Among Us that still, nobody plays Among Us anymore. Trust me, all right? Nobody plays that game anymore. That peak on Among Us is still more. Microsoft Solitaire, bro. This game came out in 1990. Still has more players playing Microsoft Solitaire than Roblox. You cannot change my mind about Roblox and what I think about the game ever until I see these numbers going up. Until I see, oh, I got stopped out on AMC. Until I see, where is it? Until I see this right here.
By the way, Prad, PPSI is trying to go back to that.
PPSI is trying to go up?
Yeah.
All right. So where's the second post I had somewhere? Oh well, I don't see it anymore. But yeah, like don't bet against children with you know, parents' credit cards. But I don't believe in Roblox as a product. You know, children grow up and they go play Valorant. Children grow up and they go play Call of Duty. I will urge you to go ask your older kid to see if he plays Roblox, and then if he gets bullied, to go see what happens what game he plays. This is the Roblox era is basically the Club Penguin era, and then when they grow up, they stop playing that game and they go play you know, different games. They go play Valorant. They go play New World. They go play different games, period. That's the end of the story. Children play this game. Children. That's why I'm not going to be an investor on Roblox. I'm going to be a constant bear on that stock. But even though I'm a constant bear, I still went long on that position today and I made money. So there you go. Now coming back to GME, I don't see anyone going out there to buy games from GME on a day-to-day basis. They're buying from Amazon. They're buying directly from Steam. They're buying from other sources. So don't care about Roblox. Don't care about GME. I only cared about GME for the stock, for the short squeeze play. But AMC is my ape stock. That's the ape stock that I actually care about. That's the stock. That's the meme stock that I actually think it belongs more, deserves to go higher from where it is. Where are we going? You're really, where are we going? All my kids play Roblox. Yeah, all your kids play Roblox. Wait till they grow up, or wait till their friends bully them for playing Roblox. Just wait till that happens, and then let's see.
You're the biggest Roblox hater in the
I
world.
will always be. And then wait till your kids get bullied for playing Roblox, and then watch how quickly they stop playing Roblox. All right, I'll stick to that word. Just wait till your kids get bullied for playing Roblox, and then watch what happens. Like it's a game for children. Period. Do they make money? Yes. Do they make a lot of money? Yes, they make a lot of money. But it's a game for children. Minecraft still has more user bases on a day-to-day basis. How will Tesla finish the trading day? Above 1,000? Below? I'll go above 1,000 for that for
I
sure.
want to buff.
For sure.
You never know though.
Yeah, you never know. That's for sure. Tesla is insane. I think Prad got for SOPA. Yeah.
For anyone that's voting yes on Tesla, and I'm joking about this, by the way, if you can't tell, for the low price of $50 a share, if you vote yes, you can certainly put that one to the test. Tesla looks really weak, man. SOPA is, by the way, just to update you here, it is tapping to the upside. I got 10% left, so it was a 29 short. It's going to be a winning trade, but it does look like it's going to halt up. And I did say this in the chat. This is not something you guys got to trade. Like I trade parabolic ones and halt stocks. This is about as crazy as it gets because it has yet to actually open for more than 1 minute without halting. So it hasn't found any true price discovery, and the volume is still under 1 million shares. So just tread lightly, or don't trade it at all, and just learn, watch, figure out some patterns. And if you can't, fine, just sit on the sidelines.
Yes, sir. Yeah, absolutely not a stock that even I want to trade, even though I'm here with other people's money in terms of, a prop firm. So other people's money, even I don't want to put other people's money at risk over here, man. This stock is absolutely insane. Prad yapping about Roblox because he missed the chance. No, trust me, I don't care about investing in Roblox at any point. Even if the stock goes another 100% from here, not going to be an investor. I'll be a day trader all day, but I'm not going to be an investor. I will invest in companies and stocks that I care about and I use and believe in, not in companies and stocks that I don't believe in or use at the end of the day. So for that aspect, I urge you guys all to keep making that money with Sean. Obviously, killer call from Sean's side. I love Sean's call from that side. And Sean, I love seeing Sean making money. But nope, not going to be an investor on that aspect. Roblox can do whatever it wants to, and I'm only going to be a day trader. Unity, however, someone brought up Unity. Yes, that's something I care about. Unity is a big platform for developers. It makes a lot of the games out there. I know some gamers hate Unity in terms of thing, but I see a lot of games being developed on Unity, so we could see their numbers come out pretty decent. And especially if Roblox is going to be bringing in these kind of numbers, Unity could very easily bring out more numbers. Apex, CSGO, Valorant all day, man. It's okay. Oh, there we go. SOPA just opened at around 31.99. But yeah, Bose, try not to put your opinions in the chat, especially if you're against the chat, because they will attack you for it. So be careful on that side. They will attack you. Chat's just going off at me for Roblox, and this is exactly what I was ready for. This is the moment I was priming up my engines for this Roblox talk. Is the rant over? The rant's gonna be over whenever chat's gonna stop attacking me for it. I'm gonna continuously hate on Roblox as long as chat wants to completely attack me for it. But over here, SOPA is now breaking the top side. Sorry?
It's your therapy. It's how you get rid of negativity
exactly.
from you. You just put it all on Roblox.
I dish it back.
Yeah.
But man, now we have a downward halt on SOPA. So it looks like we halted around the same price. We went as high as 34.16. So it hit 34.16 and then instantly came back down and halted around the same price that the first halt down was. So SOPA is still going insane. The stock is halted more than it is traded today. So there you go. Absolute monster. The stock is insane. Don't poke the bear. Yeah, you poke the bear, you get bit, boy. That's what happened. You poking the bear right now. Roblox will block Prad forever. Oh yeah.
That's coming from me though.
Sorry?
It's my comment.
I know. I saw that. I saw that. It's green. Of course, I saw it.
By the way, real quick, Andrew is asking if we have any courses. We do not have courses. The only thing we have, we post educational videos every day to our channel. And of course, we're streaming live from 8:30 a.m. until 4 p.m. guys. So that's all what we have. Please make sure you don't buy anything from fake accounts. We don't sell anything except for membership, which costs just $5 per month, but it's the way if you guys want to show your support and to just become a member. That's all what we have.
Thank you, Miss V, for that. Let me just show you another thing here. Ready? Watch this.
Oh my God.
Watch this. Watch this. Ready? I have articles on articles ready to argue with you guys forever, man. Like, come on. Like, look at this, bro. Daily active users, or Fortnite users that were created every year. Like, come on, man. We can go for days. Like, gaming is my forte. We can go for days on the argument over here. At the end of the day, guys, even though I'm hating on it, what's the one thing that I'm saying that you guys are ignoring? You guys are choosing. Your selective hearing is getting the best of all of you, which is, even though I'm a hater on that position, on that stock, the volume is there. We're going to trade it. The volume shows itself and gives us patterns and opportunities. We're going to smash it. The selective hearing has everyone just completely ignoring the other aspect of the talk, only focusing on the hate part. But that's fine. Nothing wrong with it. Everyone's entitled to what they want to do. So, but just try to understand the thesis and the idea behind it. AI going to day's high right now, apparently. Let's go to the AI, C3 AI, I think. 53 breaking out right now. We're getting a pop above 53 to 53.30. Looks like 53 actually broke out once before and then failed. Came back down to 52.70, coming back to 52.70, finding support, and now actually breaking to 53. So let's see if we can continue rocking to the top side to all the way through 54 or so. Why do I have this up here? Close that bad boy. Let's see where we're going over here. So this is the dailies I'm seeing. We're actually breaking through a significant level previously today already, which is around 52. So the next level I see could be where's this line? It's showing me 54.50. So 54.50/55, I'll say, is where we could go test in the next few trading sessions, or even today. So let's see if 54.50 or 54 gets tested on AI today by end of day. Any news for NVIDIA? Why is it going down? Let's go check out NVIDIA right now. Ooh, NVIDIA actually broke 310. I'm going to be honest. I did not see that coming. Where's my toy? Because my ADD is kicking in. Here it is. All right.
What's your toy?
It's just this thing
Needle?
that's... Yeah, it's a needle. Yeah, it's a needle. Miss B, can you stop snitching on me, please?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
But okay, so 310 actually breaking over here. Why am I looking here? I can look here. 310 is actually breaking to the downside, going lower. So obviously 300 support on NVIDIA. We're looking to buy. Are you laughing at me?
Oh, it's just so funny that your toy is a needle.
Yeah. Laugh at
Don't
me, Miss
damage
B.
yourself.
Laugh all you want. Ha 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 ha. Prad's a little clown. Ha 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 ha. But 301.04 is what we hit on the lows. I wish I knew that NVIDIA was breaking 310 here. That needle that he pokes himself with. Damn right, boys. You guys know me too well right now. I like it. A month in and you guys already know my mood swings. You guys know my needle that pokes me and my hate for Roblox. So that's good. That's good. Overall, NVIDIA, though, yeah, I did not see the 310 breaking. I guess with the market weakness, we could have seen that. But, you know, while market came down, it kept bouncing off of 310. So not sure what actually allowed it to break through 310. I hate how this chart's not loading up. So let me just show it to you on this side. So here we go. 310 ended up breaking to the downside, going all the way as 301 or even 301.08. So next time it does that, I will try to go long. And then if 300 breaks, I think that's the same idea as, what was it? As not PayPal, but what was the stock that we just, AMC. It's the same idea as AMC. If 40 breaks, you get out, and it's the same idea as PayPal. Also, if 200 breaks, you get out. So if that stock breaks that bottom, you just get out. Prad, how do you feel about EA? Oh no, we're not going anymore. We're stopping this gaming talk right here.
Yeah,
EA,
I'm not ready for another Roblox conversation.
No.
Chris DePaula sent a super chat. Thank you very much, Chris. Friday bought the 1,400 put on Tesla when it was at $1,230. Paid big today. Wow, congratulations. Keep up the great job. This is fantastic. Just wowzers to you.
That's an insane options trade. Let's go. What's the name again?
Chris
DePaula. Yeah, wow. That's an insane trade. So What is the, you guys think 66% is going to close above? Okay, that's good. That's good. So most of you think it's going to close above 1,000. So aligning with my idea there a little bit, bringing a little bit more. SOPA up halt, man. Has this stock is just going to alt everywhere? Halt, 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 alt,
Like
all
DWAC,
across.
you remember?
Yeah. Well, at least DWAC halted like, you know, like maybe 3 times on the up and 3 times on the way down. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 halts.
Annoying.
It halted more than it traded today, Miss V.
Prad, can we take a look actually at INO, Inovio? Earnings are coming for tomorrow and it's up.
Yeah, for sure. INO on NASDAQ. Let's go check out what INO. Oh, nope, that's not right. INO on NASDAQ is looking like looks like it's $7 is holding up right now. You've said earnings after or before?
Before, but let me double check.
She's gonna double check 666. So yeah, halt. Yeah, but you know, INO, man, $7
No, after the close today.
after close
Yeah.
today. So yeah, even more of a reason to have it on the radar. It is after hours today. So $7 right now looks like it wants to hold around that price. Obviously getting rejected from VWAP though, and 750 I see as a big barrier on the dailies. This is 750, 745, a big barrier on the daily. Let's go see how the stock behaves around that price. Looks like it already got rejected from that price off the open. So we need to go test that price and actually trade above it for that earnings to see if earnings is gonna help it to go higher.
And I also had news in the morning. Inovio receives US FDA authorization to proceed with innovative phase 3 segment for its COVID-19 vaccine candidate. INO 4,800.
All right. Prad, do a halt routine on TikTok. What is that? What the heck is a halt routine? Hello,
You-
brother. Sorry. go on.
You could like, you know, how like, you know, there is a trend like you could do like this, how stocks trade. Like, okay. I like
Yeah,
that.
you gotta show it to me. I don't know those ones. I only watch like the stuff that's on Instagram.
We should get creative.
Yeah.
We need to use our ideas and work as a team and become TikTok stars.
What makes you think I'm creative, Miss V?
You are creative. Your toy is a needle.
I need some substances in me to get creative. So whenever the clock hits 4:20, we'll go come up with some fun ideas.
All right. I got you.
Pratt, is space in your short territory yet? Don't care for space. I'll be honest. The company is in the same territory as Roblox for me. You know, I don't care much about it, but if the volume is there, I will trade it. Obviously, today it's making a little bit of a pop. I'm still waiting to see if any news comes out on that stock to see if we can get a little bit of a different range for me to trade in. So until then, it's just doing what it wants to. Of course, Sir Richard Branson just having fun with his money over there. Let's see if it has any sort of substance. The same way that I think the other company doesn't. Miss B is
also-
loving my digs over here.
You saw that?
Miss B's loving. Miss B's like, are you done, Pratt? Be done with their stupid digs already. Oh, wow. I actually have a Hertz order still sitting that I did not realize. So I'm going to cancel that order. Let's see what Hertz is doing. Hertz is still not managing or not being able to go through 28. So glad I actually realized I saw that order and I just canceled that order. Don't want it if there is no volume, especially after the IPO has already taken place. I mean, the opening has already taken place and the volume kind of coming down. I don't want to take that 28 break if the volume doesn't pick back up. So if it does happen, we will take it, but obviously we need that volume there first. Pratt, I meant space is reaching high a day. Oh, okay. So space, let's go see what space is doing right now. 7.77% up for the day right now with 9.4 million shares traded overall. The high a day is 2168, so we're not too far from that high a day. But obviously, space is seeming to hold VWAP on the way down. And it is also very inverse to the market. So I am not going to try to short in the stock, which is playing inverse to the market, especially when the market's coming down. I'm not going to short the stock at all if it's playing inverse to the market. I would like it to follow the market and then And then if it's going up and the market's going up, I go long if there's volume. If it's going down and the market's going down with volume, I'll short it. But it's doing completely inverse, and that just makes me not wanna touch it. But obviously, if you are playing levels, if you are playing what the stock is giving you, you can get that scalp in front of the high a day and maybe write it down to 21.20 or 21, or even at VWAP, which is under 21 at 21.90, or sorry, at 20.90. Interesting. I was wrong about shorting space. Yeah, like obviously, you know, the stock is gonna do the inverse of what the market does. At that point, it's just going to be questions after questions that I can't answer. And if I can't answer a question in terms of trading, then that's gambling. That's gambling. I don't have levels. I don't have a in. I don't have a out. I'm basically rolling the dice, and I'm praying to Jeebus, Lord Jeebus, help me out. With anything out there, with any strength you have in you, you know, just not, that's not the right way to trade. So look for reasons to get in and look for reasons to get out. And on space, I don't have any right now. Gambling is fun, of course it is. You know, I enjoyed losing $100 on the UFC fights this weekend. It was so much fun. I'm not joking. It was actually fun. But I don't enjoy gambling Monday to Friday at work. That's not fun.
That's not fun.
No.
Can we take a look at KPLT Catapult? It's up
Catapult.
more than 32%.
Yeah, I haven't pulled up the stock in ever.
Yeah.
Rolling paper Prads 2024. What, I'm running for a chair now 2024? Maybe I should create rolling papers now and start my own rolling papers line
Business, yeah.
and fight raw and zigzags and Rizzlers.
And then your company will go public.
Oh,
What will be the name of your IPO?
Roblox. All right. KPLT 33% up today. Looks like we are trying to keep on rising to the top side. Volume increasing as lunch is coming to an end. 12:54 over here. Volume increasing. 1 o'clock obviously is when we see this happening. The tape is heating up. Next point is to see where the stock could start finding rejection points at. Obviously, it is trying to go towards a $7 level. Let's see if we can break 6 and then go to 7 intraday with the volume that it's presenting itself with. But if that doesn't happen, I think we can see a rejection of $6. It can be Roblox because you don't care about 30% pause. Prad poking the bear. Oh, I'm just poking the bear today, you know. But I'm having fun. I'm having fun trolling you guys because you guys troll me all the time. So I'm enjoying today. Today is well, you know how Miss V usually says chat 1, Prad 0.
Yeah.
Today it's Prad 1,
Yeah.
chat 0 today. So
True.
Prad's I'm taking the WWE belt home today, baby. I'm the BMF holder today. SOPA is open. Oh yeah, it's gonna halt again right away. So let's go see what it's gonna halt at. And yeah, what did I say? It's gonna halt again right away. Boom. Did not even have to open it. Don't even have to guess. I mean, I had to guess. Didn't even have to open it. Paper name brand should be Parabolic. I don't know. Maybe if it was a Neil's paper brand, but not for me. Prad feeling bullish on the chat. Ooh, baby. No, I love you guys. You know, the fun banter, fun troll. Obviously, like I said,
Challenge
opinions
accepted.
are for everyone.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge
from
accepted
Tyrone.
says who? Tyrone? Oh, no. The king troll is here.
Yeah.
Oh, no. The king troll is here. All right, but yeah, SOPA, man, obviously more halting than trading today overall. Not sure what the stock wants to do. People said 50. It could be because we got 2 down halts and the rest of the halts were all up halts. So let's see what the stock wants to do here. $35 halt and it wants to open at $37.50. Insane. SNDL. SNDL with 60 million shares traded today. Kind of struggling to, you know, go to the top side. Obviously, a little bit of a barrier that I'm seeing around 73 cents looks like. So let's go scroll down to see if I see any size there. Probably not. Probably won't see it just yet. Yeah, I won't see it just yet. I'm going to have to wait for the stock to go there. So looks like there's some barrier over here at 73, or this could just be dark pool prints and not actual prints. So to verify that, let's go check on TradingView. Yeah, those are just dark pool prints. Those are not actual prints. So the stock has been, for the most part, just inching its way towards the highs over here, holding VWAP on the way down, or not true VWAP, but like close enough for it to say VWAP overall.
Prad Tesla broke $10-30 to the downside. So I'm super excited to see how this day will finish for Tesla. And again, I remind you, participate in our fun poll. How will Tesla finish this trading day? Above 1,000, below 1,000. For now, 65% for above. So do me and Prad voted for that, but you never know. And yes.
Yeah, I'm just long right now because I think this is a long from Tesla, at least back up to 1040 or 1050. Let's see if 1030 breaks. I'll get out on this long. Obviously, boom, baby, we're in the money. $1 in the money on that Tesla long. Let's write it back to 1045, at least 1040. That's gonna be my first target. Actually, I'm $3 in the money. I should just take some profit right here. Let's take the first target, and then we'll see if Tesla wants to run any higher from here. And then if 1030 breaks the downside, we will get out. That's a nice little long scalp off the bottom over there. We're just waiting to see if 1040 comes by any chance. Obviously, the range high 1060 could come into play, or we could just bounce off of 1045 over here. Now we're just waiting, playing the waiting game. Let's go Tesla. Oh, I actually turned Tesla into a profit positive stock today.
Yeah.
So let's go, turning Tesla into a positive stock after taking a couple beatings over here. So nice little long scalp on this bad boy, and looks like we're kind of having a little bit of a struggle at 1035. So I might just take that profit over here and get out. So yeah, 1035 struggling on Tesla. I'm out. We're going back to 1031 here. Let's see how it behaves at 1030ish or so. I think if QQQs start going down, 1030 breaks, then yeah, what the timing on that exit for me at least. You know, I saw QQQ trying to go lower over there, and it did break 1030, but then wow, instantly we're back onto 1030. So a lot of whipsaw action going on around 1030 on Tesla, which could mean that it wants to hold 1030 on the bids. But I believe that there is more downside just from the overall pattern of how the stock has been going today. And if power hour comes in at 2 o'clock, or not 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, with the more downside, Tesla 900 is very much a possibility. QQQ is now trying to just go back to the lower days here. Am I positive on Tesla now? No, I'm still down on Tesla, but very slightly, not too significant. Let me see if I can take another long here at 1030. Is it gonna go back to 1030 here? If it is, I'm gonna punch that long. Ooh, I missed it. It just wants to whipsaw here a lot, so maybe we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna be hands off here. I'm gonna stick to my rules. I'm gonna be hands off, but I think it wants to bounce off of 1030. But like I said, I'm gonna be hands off. I want to protect the money that I made today and not give it back for no reason. I don't really have a true setup right now, so no trade to be made. Tesla down today, but pops up tomorrow. We'll see if that's how it ends up being. Obviously, with the big down move on a stock like this, I would like to see if buyers show up. And man, that was a nice long again. Nice little long scalps in front of 1030. Let's go Tesla, making that money for people. Miss V, did you end up taking that long scalp in front of 10 to 10 whatever?
Oh no, I'm not touching that.
No touching that, Miss V. I feel you, Miss V. So coin.
Someone's asking volume for Tesla today with average one. So I just wanted to real quick show this. So today's volume 38,324,000. Average volume in 3 months is 21 million.
Wow, yeah. So I can quickly check over here too. Wait, is SOPA really gonna open at $42? Oh, it halted at 41.80 and is gonna open at 42. Okay, that's not too far. I thought it halted around 30 and is gonna open at 42. That's insane. Anyways, yeah, it halted at 41.80 for SOPA and it wants to open just 20 cents higher from there, so not too far. So this could bring it to the downside. Be careful if you are long into the halt. You know, taking that halt trade. If you are live by the halt, die by the halt trader like Eric and myself over here, be careful on that opening print. Let's see what happens on that side. Good morning and good night. You're heading out, Russell Jackson. Take care, my friend. Nice banter today. Hope you had a great day. Congratulations on that Roblox trade along with Sean. Make that money, boys. I enjoy seeing each and every single one of you make a killing over here every day. Enjoy the rest of your time and make sure that you come back for 3 o'clock at least for the closing hour to see Sean and sorry, not even 3. They come back at 2. So if you are free, come back for 2. Can you say 6? What? No. Tesla puts 11/19 expiry on fire. Yes, I think Tesla puts, no matter what right now, are on fire. Absolutely printing money in every direction. And there we go. Halt on the downside now coming in for SOPA. As predicted, it opened at 42, just 20 cents higher off of where it halted. Instantly on the way down right now to 37.80 where it wants to halt at. And this is going to be our third halt down on SOPA. It's 4:30 a.m. Oh my goodness. Where do you live? 4:30 a.m. SDC thoughts. Small Direct Club, I think, is looking for more doomsday signs, in my opinion. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Right now, it's at all-time lows. Obviously, this could be a buying opportunity for people, but you know, it all depends. I liked Small Direct Club's idea at one point, but the fact that they're not making money is sad, right? It's the complete opposite for Roblox for me. Like, I don't like Roblox's idea, but they're making a ton of money. I like Small Direct Club's idea, but they're not making money. So it's all about where the volume is, where the numbers are, who's dropping the money, who's bringing in the money, where the bag's at. Show me the bags, baby. That's all it's about. He comes from a land down under. Land down under. No, I'm not Punjabi, but I very well could be. My stepdad's Punjabi, and most of my family from that side is basically Punjabi. So you may as well call me Punjabi because people all the time do. But no, I'm not Punjabi. I'm Telugu. But I do speak a little bit of Punjabi and I speak Hindi and I speak a little bit of Telugu. You know, I'm not too fluent with it. I speak with my mom every day, so I guess I'm fluent. But if you start dropping some crazy words out there, if you start dropping the Telugu language vocabulary at me, it's a wrap. I'm not responding to you. Nice call on that KPLT short. Did I call it or did somebody else call it? Let's see what's going on over here. It is getting rejected at 570 right now, or 568 looks like. Coming down a little bit. Let's see if it's going to find support at 530. If it finds support at 530, good. If it doesn't support at 530, then obviously we can see it probably go down. Hello, now. Ooh, we got more Telugu people. What's up, Vivek? About now. Thank you for asking. Punjabi represent. Hey, Saint Lion in the chat. Let's go. What's up, Saint Lion? How you doing, brother? Where we going? Oh, watch out with those words, boys. Don't make me ban you from the chat for 30 seconds now. Watch out with those words. Let's be nice in the chat. Let's not use derogatory terms, no matter what language we're talking in. Bhai kaise ho, main theek hu, aap kaise ho. That was a little I put an accent on there for no reason. But yeah, I usually don't have an accent when I'm talking in Hindi, so I don't know why that accent came out over there. Where are we going to? Let's go check some stocks, guys. LAZR looking to break VWAP. LAZR. ZR or ZR? Would you guys say Z or Z? I don't know. I kind of switch between both depending on mood. I switch between both depending on mood, though. It's like, now I feel like Z, I feel like Z.
Here in Canada, it's Z. It is what it is, man. Someone just asked, is that AMC SSR? Phil? It is SSR. AMC on the corp board down over 10%. So uptick rule in effect on AMC today and tomorrow. But it is Z for us.
Oh, she's gone for lunch. Wrong button. Oh, I hope I hit the wrong right. Come on, Prad, hit the right button, please. Thank you. So yeah. Z, you said? Okay, so I'll stick with Z. I guess I'm in Canada. So LAZR is coming downwards after making that pop in pre-market. So we saw the big pop from $17 all the way to looks like $30. Yeah, $30 being the high a day. Ever since then, we've just been coming down and been respecting VWAP as a resistance. Even though we've been coming down and respecting VWAP, we are up 20% on 57 million shares traded overall, and the stock is just basically looks like profit-taking zone. People just taking profits on the way down over here. Anyone who were long 16 and under is just rolling in the money and just having fun right now. So obviously we're just waiting to see where it finds support. It looks like it's finding support at $20 actually. So finding support at 20 is good, and would like to see if there's any upside left in the stock for the coming days to go test that $30 high. Z is British. Well, yeah, Canadians are from the British colonies, so makes sense. We even use in our flavor and you know those words that use you like color. I think we use you in our color. Sometimes I try not to, and sometimes I do, and autocorrect doesn't correct me. So yeah, there you go. AMC. That's right. Neil was talking about AMC being on SSR. Not fun to see AMC go back below 40, and not fun to see AMC on short sale restriction. But I guess for the apes, every time the SSR is on, it's a kind of a good thing for the apes, because that means it's going to be harder to short the stock. But technically, it's not really harder to short the stock. You can still short it. You just got to get picked up on the offer. And with the 1 cent spread like AMC, if you really want to get short, it's not too hard to get picked up on the offer on uptick. Huge bear trap tomorrow is going to be wild on C. Let's go check out what C is looking like. Ooh, my stomach is rumbling. But dark pools. Yeah, but dark pools. Do you think BBIG is gonna hit a good supply zone at 40-30s for a decent swing trade? Prad. Oh, did I not type in chat today? Type in chat, Prad. Come on. I even typed my own name wrong. All right. Anyway, C looks like it wants to support itself right now around VWAP for the most part. Even though we're down 1% with the 8 million shares traded, it is trying to find bottoms not too far from VWAP. So that's a good indication overall. Let's see what the stock does in Power Hour. How much did AMC earn last quarter? AMC last quarter reported was 444 million compared to estimate 382 million, and this quarter they reported 755 million compared to 708 million. Where did my volume candles go? Hello? Oh, it's all the way up here. How did they go up there? What the? Move to Alright, well, we'll worry about that after. That's crazy. How did my volume just randomly go there? Rivian IPO tomorrow. That is right. We are excited for the Rivian IPO tomorrow. I am taking that opening print, and we are smashing that trade. I expect myself to make anywhere close to my second biggest Momo trade on that Rivian IPO, because on Coinbase was my best IPO day besides DWAC. I'm not calling DWAC my best Momo day, but DWAC is my best Momo day. So I'm looking for Rivian to take over Coinbase, and how absolutely fun Coinbase was to trade on the IPO day. Prad, are you still long PayPal? No, I'm out of all my positions. I am no longer in any position. Just hands off right now from 1 to 2 o'clock, or even 1 to 3 o'clock. Obviously, just waiting for volume to pick back up in any stock, waiting for some movements to come in, and then looking for setups that I could find with the good risk to reward abilities. But we can go check out PayPal. PayPal came back. Oh no, it's still around VWAP. So obviously, I'm not gonna be punching along here. I was long at 200, so this is kind of far from my long. Can you talk a little about your IPO trades? There's nothing to talk about, my friend. You just get long and get out, get short and get out. There's nothing to talk about on IPOs. I'll be 100% honest. IPOs are such a free trade, in my opinion, because you know, you just take every even dollar break, and especially when a stock that's that big, that has that much volume coming into it, that much eyes coming into it, you just take every single break out and then just get in and out, get in and out, get in and out, get in and out. The game is constantly being in and out, in and out. At least that's how I play it. There's multiple ways to play it. You can just take the open print and never get out. It depends on the strategy that has worked for you on IPOs. So for me, IPO strategies are one of my most profitable strategies, and I know exactly how to trade them in terms of when the level 2 comes in, or when the time of sale comes in, or when even dollar level comes in. So those are what I look for. I can hear Valeria's stomach. You guys are hungry. Oh, can you now? Let's see where Valeriia is. Hi, Valeriia. Is your stomach rumbling? Oh, cool, cool. Well, we'll let you. We'll come back to you, Valeriia, in a bit. Prad, how many trades you take per day? The answer is not set in stone. It depends on volume. You know, it's the answer is never set in stone. And it really doesn't even matter how many trades I take in the day. Today I have 254 trades, but it really doesn't matter, right? Sometimes I make the same P&L that I make on 10 trades. Sometimes I lose the same P&L on 500 trades. Sometimes I lose the same P&L on 1 trade. Does the number of trades really matter? I don't think it does. What matters is what is your risk to reward on the setup you're taking? What's the risk to reward on your entry of the stock you're taking? What's the risk to reward on the position you're taking? What is the setup you're taking? What is the entry? Where's your out? Where are you wrong? I don't think the number of trades matters by any shape or form. Pratt talking to an empty chair like Clint Eastwood. Hey. What's your method of expertise for IPO evens? That's your method of expertise for IPO evens. Yes, exactly. Even dollar breaks. Yes. Like even dollar breaks. I look for size on the level 2. You will often see size on the book for IPOs. Often see them, and you will see clear signs of icebergs. You will see clear signs of a proper level on the level 2 on the time of sales for IPOs. So we're just keeping our eyes peeled for those. Pratt, is DWAC long now? Ooh, I'm not making those calls for you guys. No, I'm not making those calls because I'm not getting blamed for your losses. So if you think DWAC is a long now, go for it. I'm not making calls on DWACs and these speculative stocks. No, I'm never issuing a signal of investment or swing trades on DWACs and your SOPAs. If I do, it will be on Lyft, which I already did. If I do, it will be on CRSR, which I already did. It will never be on DWAC. But if on a day trade, is DWAC a long? Let's go check it out. Is DWAC a long for the day trade? Oh, I guess so. If 57 holds up the way it is, even on the daily, 57 seems to be holding. I don't see why you can't scalp the long in front of 57. And if 57 breaks, you get out of it, call it a day, move on from that long. So I like the idea. I'll give it to you. I like the idea, but for a swing trade, for an investment, not me, not my call. Never will issue it.
Gay K is saying, Prad, ask me Sweet to teach you Russian phrase «Редиска – это нехороший человек». Well, basically, «редиска», it's like, in Russian, we sometimes instead of swear words, we use like different words. So that one is «редиска». Like «редиска» is a bad person.
Is he calling me a rediska?
No, it's just like teaching you.
So what is the one after that?
So
Нехороший человеко.
Нехороший человек.
What is that? Is that a
bad
bad word?
person.
Oh. Ask Miss V to teach you Russian. Rediska.
Good job.
Rediska, and then say that afterwards?
Нехороший человек.
All right, I'm going to move on from that one. Move on from that one. That one's hard. That sounds like Hershey's chocolate. My dyslexia is reading it. My blah, 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 blah. Just stop it right
Sorry
there.
for that.
Stop it right there. SOPA in halts and actually trading. SOPA is trading, not halted. Actually, wow. Okay. SOPA is. You guys are trolling me, man. SOPA's not trading. This is a joke. This is not trading. This is not a stock that's trading at all. Let's see what happens. Maybe it starts actually normalizing here for a little bit and going sideways, which it does. It's gonna be, oh, thank God. I'm so tired of seeing the stock halt. Ooh, the matroshka.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, we'll see what it wants to go from here. Radish car, Russian is hard. Yes, Russian is hard, but I enjoy learning Russian every day. CCL at this at point flush. Let's go check out what CCL is doing. Are you guys bullish on INO? I'm not sure. I mean, INO does have positive catalysts, so it all depends on where the volume takes it. I'm not bullish, nor am I bearish, nor am I whatever. Neither of those are. I'm just playing volume on INO. If volume shows me a breakout coming into the top side of that range, I'll take it. And same vice versa for the downside. Neither bullish nor bearish. CCL. CCL is coming down indeed. We broke VWAP to the top side a little after coming down, but now we're heading back towards lower day. Looks like CCL might have some struggle here after going through 25 not too long ago. Now failing 24 on the downside and going through 23.8. It means little translation. Oh, okay. Where are we going to next? Miss V, you have any trades or...
No, Prad.
Miss V doesn't have any trades right now to show us.
BKKT is rocket, George says. Maybe
BKKT, let's go check out. Looks like Tesla along that 1300, actually 1130, I guess, not 1300, actually ended up working out. So damn, missed out on another opportunity there. Now it's actually trying to bounce at 1140 to the downside or even to the top side. Let's see what Tesla does there on when market decides to either go from the top or go to the downside. BKKT. 5 million shares traded almost over here for the day, coming down 12%. We are now seeing rejection of VWAP and seeing rejection of 2750 after finding a bottom of 27. So maybe we continue seeing rejection of 2750 if 27 keeps on holding. But if 2750 breaks, I don't see what's stopping the stock to go back to 28 and so on. Obviously 23 and 25 being the levels to the downside to see if we can find support there after getting these pops towards $45 on BKKT. Tesla sitting at 9 EMA looks good. I like it. No halts on Rivian, slow and steady hopefully. Yeah, Rivian probably won't halt. You won't have to worry about Rivian like that. But then, like, you know, did I see Coinbase halt is what I'm trying to... It did? Yeah, so Coinbase did go crazy on the IPO day, so it did halt. But yeah, Rivian has way too much liquidity. Sean is. You want to talk about it, Sean? So whenever Sean is ready, we'll throw him on. He's ready.
Born ready. Yeah, so no, I think that, you know, just talking about it, we could call up Coinbase here. I remember Coin halted because of the move it had. It didn't like halt. There was really nothing wrong with the Coinbase IPO. It's just, you could see here, if we zoom in a little bit right here, it opened up at 345 and then, or 340, whatever it was. And then within minutes, it ripped to 380. So then it halted because of the price that it came out at, right? Like 340 to move $30 when no one's willing to short it, you know, that's easy. But if Rivian comes out at like $80 or $90, there should be enough liquidity there, I feel like. We could be completely wrong, right? I mean, people need to offer the shares. So if it rips up, it'll be a good thing. It'll rip to the upside. So if it halts, it definitely won't halt to the downside, in my opinion. It'll only halt to the upside. So as long as we're long that play, I think we're going to be fine. But yeah, Rivian is going to be an exciting one. I'm super jacked up for it. I mean, I haven't taken the opening print on anything today, SOPA or anything. Haven't even traded it. But for Rivian, I'm putting a market on open order and taking whatever that print is, and we're going to see what happens. So, I mean, ESVs and electric vehicles right now, super, super hot. So, yeah, let's just take that. And we're already, We're already enjoying, Naked Brands, We're already enjoying Ford with a nice move to the upside, Fisker with a nice move to the upside. So the other thing too is, if Rivian does not come out and if it's not a successful IPO, like it closes below maybe where it opens, I don't think that's good for any of these stocks. So we got to pay attention to that as well.
Yeah, good point there at the end. I honestly, I was so clouded. I have tunnel vision in terms of what Tesla has been doing, what Ford has been doing, that I did not even consider the downside of it. So yeah, if by any chance with the hype and all the eyes and all the news articles that's going on with Rivian, if Rivian manages to go downside off the IPO, that's danger for Ford, that's danger for NIO, that's danger for XPEV, that's danger for practically every single EV stock out there, for at least for that day. So obviously I'm not gonna be expecting that down move on Rivian, neither is Sean. So that's also a little extra confidence booster to see that Sean has the same thesis as I do. But yeah, you know, Ford is invested in Rivian, Amazon is invested in Rivian. So if Rivian IPOs, I mean not if, once Rivian IPOs tomorrow and rocks to the top side, let's say it opens at 85 even though the range is 70, my guess is tomorrow the range expands to like what, 80 to 82, and then it opens at 85, and then we get a move up to 95 or 100. If we get that move to a 95 or 100 on Rivian tomorrow, the chances of seeing a move in Ford, seeing a move in Tesla, the whole basket orders, the basket stocks that could move along with it, there's a lot of them that you need to keep your eyes on. So even if you don't want to touch Rivian because it's risky, you know, I don't think it's risky because you have your levels. You take the opening print. If the stock goes back down to the opening print, you get out for a loser. You take the 100 break. If the stock goes back down to 100, you get out for a loser. You take every single even dollar break. If it comes back to your even dollar break, you get out for a loser. In and out, in and out, in and out. You don't want to sit there and hold the stock from the start to finish just in case it turns around on you. I'm not saying it will, but you don't want to put your emotional stress to that capital, to that level, and have it completely mess you up. Turn that around, make some money on the way up, take the opening print if you want to, and run it up. If you're taking the even dollar breaks, take those even dollar breaks and take the profits on the way up. It's just that easy, quote unquote, because we have done it on IPOs multiple times, but I'm saying quote unquote is just that easy because the answer is also if you, let's say you take the $50 long and it goes to 50.30 and comes back down to 50 and you bag hold it all the way down through 50, that's your fault, right? But if you close it once it goes down to 50, let's say at 49.50 or at 49.80, and then it goes back through 50 one more time and you punch that long again and it goes in your direction, those are the trades we're talking about multiple times, in and out, in and out, in and out. Be an algo, be an algorithm, and don't be that retail trader that the algorithm steals from. Be the algorithm that the retail traders that the algo eats. Be the food, be the eat. Not, I don't know, I'm messing up my words here. But yeah, just in and out, in and out, in and out. That's constant game that we are playing on Rivian tomorrow. You will see me, most hopefully, Rivian opens up at our time. Hopefully.
It's gonna be fun.
Actually, 11, right? We go live at 11. Rivian for sure opens at our time.
Well,
for sure.
I love seeing you to trade IPOs.
Yeah. You've seen me trade IPOs before?
Yeah.
Yeah, I get so hyped about it.
That's
I get
why I
so
like
hyped
it.
about it, man. IPOs that are moving are so much fun. They're so much fun to trade. It's like a complete different excitement. If by any chance I could show you my Coinbase IPO trades, you're just going to be... I don't know if it saves it. Size on Roblox bringing it down apparently and blocking it at the top. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, there is some size on Roblox. 103.23, 193 lots. Boom, Roblox now coming down. Hey, looks like Roblox shorts in play. The 105, the 104 shorts paying off to the downside. Obviously, Roblox, in my opinion, even though I don't like it, is going to hold above 100. Roblox is going to close above 100 today. Well, no doubt in my heart that it's going to do it. But no doubt. No doubt in my heart it's going to close above 100 today. Yes.
Yes.
But the question is it gonna break through? Oh, it actually broke 105 all the way to 105.75. But the question is it gonna go through 105 and actually close above 105? Is the next question. Why'd you bring up Gwen Stefani? TTD.
Listening to some Gwen Stefani.
TTD. Yeah.
Okay, so Neil and I are having a debate right now. Do you know the band that Gwen Stefani was in?
Me? No.
Boom. I win, Neil, in your face. Back to you, Prad.
I know who Gwen Stefani is, but I don't know what band she's in. What? There. Miss V, help me. I'm clicking a lot of buttons over here. Okay, thank God. I clicked so many buttons there, Miss V. I can't do this without you. I panicked. Guys, I'm sorry. I clicked on a lot of buttons there.
No doubt band.
No doubt. Is that why he said Gwen Stefani? That makes no doubt in my heart. Gwen Stefani status. We're closing above 100 on Roblox. There we go. Okay. Moving on. Ooh, the boomers are just throwing these old stuff at me, and they expect me to know. You expect me to know? You think I'm gonna listen to whoever those are?
No doubt you don't know.
All right. Jackson 5. Okay, I know the Jackson 5. Yeah, fine. I know Jackson 5, but that's as far as that's the only thing I get it. You guys are crazy. All right, 95 on TDD, still above VWAP and just holding around there. So let's see if we can still hold it for the rest of the day. Obviously, looks like it does not want to go to the downside. It just wants to hold it over here. If the lunch hour has ended, so if the volume spike comes into power hour because we did not get it in after the end of lunch hour, we could get that nice move to the top side again above 97, or even go test 97 if power hour gives us that move. How many band members are in Jackson 5?
Funny.
I think 7. No. I'm thinking. I gotta, there's gotta be some really easy name out there. Guys, help me. Chat, help me.
Ask them something about Kanye West.
Chat, help me. They're asking me to name someone from Jackson 5. Yeah, I should ask them Kanye West questions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? Sean's going to be able to answer them. So, damn it. Sean's going to be able to answer them. Randy Jermaine. How about that? Jermaine Jackson. I'm using chat. I cheated. Tito Jackson? Isn't that a... wait. I'm not even going to say anything before I dig myself a hole. Moving on from stuff that I don't know about to stuff that I somewhat know about. Moving on. Mark, no. Okay, Miss V, just throw stocks at me quick. Let's go to Piton just so I can make fun of Piton at the same time.
Actually, can we take a look at pads again?
Pads?
Yeah.
Miss V saved my life over here.
Boomers attacked you.
Boomers are attacking me. They're out here. They're out here today, and they got chat supporting them. So it's like more than one, more than one on my case now. Panic. Prad knows the old in and out. No, I know a little bit. I try to know as much as I can, but learning is fun. Pads on Amex?
Pats. It's
P-A-T-Z. Pats. Yes.
P-A-T-Z.
Andre three stacks, baby. We call them 3 stacks. Andre 3 stacks. All right, yeah. So Pets over here is finding support around 750 at first time, but then immediately rocked back to 8 above VWAP, and now looks like it will continue to use that same level as before, where the circle is showing up. As the circle is showing up at the same level as before in the same range bottom. Turn that back into a support after previously failing it. So let's see if we can now get that move to $9 and above $9 on Pets, especially with the volume kind of increasing, but not too much. I would like to see volume go back up around maybe 3 o'clock or so. So you guys get that nice move to talk about on the closing time, the closing hour, the power hour. Someone cut the man's mic. Sheesh. All right, where we going next? Miss V.
Nordstrom, people, Dragon Baller is bringing up JWN to us. We haven't talked about Nordstrom forever again.
Honestly, I never talk about Nordstrom because I never shop there because I don't have the money to shop there. But I know who does. The lady sitting next to me.
Well, they not only have expensive stuff though.
I know. I mean, I'm bougie. If I go in there, I'm only looking at expensive stuff.
Honestly, my favorite Nikes I've ever bought, those were Nikes X Nordstrom.
Oh, I didn't even know they had a
super
collab.
Cool. They have a very nice Nike store in there, and like there are all the you can find those stuff in regular Nike.
You can't.
No.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that. But not even like a Nike factory or anything.
I
Just
don't know.
Nordstrom. Maybe just Nordstrom. Yeah. That's cool. I don't know that. Yeah. Obviously, I don't go to Nordstrom a lot, so I don't know it. I shop in Costco. Let's be real.
Oh, I'm jealous.
You
I've
should be
never
because
been
I
in
get to eat a hot
Costco.
dog, buy an Apple laptop, and clothes.
You can
all
buy
at the
Apple
same time.
in Costco.
Yeah.
I thought Apple.
You can buy I'm pretty sure you can buy Apple products at Costco.
Well, you can buy Apple products in Shoppers Drug Mart also.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. But yeah, I love Costco. Nordstrom Rack for you. Nordstrom Rack, is that for the broke boys? Is Nordstrom Rack the broke boys? I didn't even know that was a thing, man. I didn't even know Nordstrom Rack is for the broke boys.
Yeah.
I guess that's for me.
Right, they have Nordstrom Rack on Blue Young.
Yeah, so Nordstrom Rack's for me, baby. We're gonna go hit up Nordstrom Rack today.
Ball
but-
alert.
JWN, obviously, a nice little move overall. I'm guessing it's an earnings play. If it is an earnings play, we are going to the top side over here with the 3% move overall. So nice little move on Nordstrom. Nordstrom Rack is for people who are long Tesla. So wait, what do you mean? Isn't Nordstrom Rack for the broke boys? Oh, for today, I guess. I guess you mean today. That's rude. That's rude. That's rude, Brian. But yeah, no. If you're a long Tesla from God knows way back when, you're for sure buying Nordstrom, baby. Did you buy your big jacket at Costco? No. I bought it from directly from the online Japan website. Power Hour is going to be a bloodbath. Yeah, man. I'm looking forward to it because it's gonna give me more opportunities to make money. But yeah, it's looking scary indeed. Power Hour is looking for sure scary. It's all in the shoes for me. Yeah, Mike, you got some nice collection of the shoes, my friend. And someone else who's into shoes is that lady right there.
Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you for my pink running shoes, though, Mike Crehan.
Yes.
So sweet.
We never even see you wear it.
Well, catch me outside.
In summer?
How about that?
In summer?
Or on treadmill.
On treadmill, yeah. Treadmill. I hate treadmills, though. I mean, obviously, look at me, but yeah, I hate treadmills.
You really?
I hate treadmills. I'd rather run outside than treadmill.
I'm so much opposite. I like running, but only on treadmills. I
Really?
hate running outside.
Is it because you get to watch something while you're doing it?
Well, first of all, no, because first of all, it's distracting. It's a lot of people outside, and like you always think like to not like have a collision into something or someone. And also like I'm getting red when I'm running, and I don't want to like people see me getting red or sweaty.
You're shy.
Kind of.
Miss V doesn't want guys to just goggle her on the way up and down through her runs, so she stays hidden on her treadmill. I see you,
Yeah.
Miss V. I get you. Peloton, yeah, let's go parade on Peloton after shitting on Roblox all day. I haven't shit on Peloton at all, so let's go do that a little bit. Time to slap an iPad on the mic and call it the best company in the world. No, I'm joking. Peloton obviously still going downwards, not having the best time after earnings report. We saw the rejection of 56. We're seeing the rejection of 52. Now we're seeing rejection of 50. Obviously, more downside in Peloton could come. I think today's rejection of 50 is kind of manufactured by the Tesla's down move. So I don't know if that 50 break is truly written in sand, break of 50. So I would like to see how the stock trades tomorrow to see if buyers come in to run it up above 50 and we trade between this 50 to 52 range or so. But overall, I think people are starting to feel the bearishness of Peloton and the I was gonna say the Sims. The shorts are be deep in the money right now on this position off that 70 barrier. Need a deal to play Roblox on your Peloton to make his head explode. Oh yeah, if that happens, it's not gonna be a fun time for you guys. That's for sure. Because then I get to sit here and talk bad about two companies at the same time and troll you guys while you guys troll me back. So that's gonna be so much fun if that ever happens.
Poor Roblox.
Poor Roblox, yeah. Poor Peloton if that ever happens too. But I don't think Roblox is that stupid. I don't think they'll ever go and make that decision. That's not smart in my opinion. They have the app store industry. I don't know what the mobile industry already, and they have the PC industry. So I don't understand why they need to go into putting games on a Peloton. But I know you're just saying it as a joke though. But I'm just going off of that.
Well, people very interested about that RIVN IPO tomorrow. Are you excited, Prad, about that? So
Big
on the
time.
website, like you gave to us, very helpful one, IPO calendar. So this is the price, 72.74. It's supposed to open at.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, exactly. So it's supposed to open at that price, but obviously it could open higher than that.
Yeah.
We've seen it happen all the time. So that price is just an indication based on the supply and the demand of the shares and the offline sales of the shares. Is it called offline shares? I'm not sure what it's called. Pre-IPO sale. I think it's called pre-IPO sale. The pre-IPO selling of those shares will bring the stock price up from 72 to 74 to probably 75 to 80 or 80 to 85, and then you can see the stock run up from 85 to 95 is what I'm visualizing. And speaking of visualization, I think that's like one of the key things that I've started adding to my trade setups these days. At the end of the night when I'm actually charting, as I'm charting, I visualize the trade working out for me, I visualize the trade not working out for me, and I visualize the trade just doing absolutely nothing and going sideways for multiple hours in a row and boring me to death. So visualization has helped me be quicker with what to do. Not only now I'm sitting there and questioning myself, oh, am I gonna do this if this happens? I've already visualized it last night. I know what I'm gonna do, and once that happens, I know exactly what keys I'm pressing. I even visualize the key combinations of I press this and this, it's a sell. I press this, it's a buy. I visualize the whole process of me making money, of me losing money, and all the variables around it. So visualization, I've been adding that to my tool set, and I urge you guys to do that too. Right before you trade, or even the night before, pick a time to do it, and let me know if that ends up helping you guys in your trading. I had a question here. How did you get hired by the prop firm with 3 months experience? I actually got hired with 0 experience. I had 3 months of experience in the prop firm in which I graduated it. I thought that was the fastest graduation, but Sean over here completely ruined my mood when he said he was the fastest graduation by doing it in a day or two. So thank you, Sean, for taking away my little badge on my shoulder that I was walking around with. So that's that. It's because he's so damn handsome. Aw, thank you, Sean. All right, so where are we going to next? Meditation also helps. Yes, meditation helps. That's for sure. You guys need a Latino like me on the show. Well, bring your butt down to Canada, my friend. Well, not down, up to Canada.
TraderTV.Live International.
That's right. That's right. Praddy Pitt. Okay, I like it. Pradley Pitt. The sticking, I guess something that Greg started is sticking. Look at Bark. Earnings tomorrow. Woof. Oh, you meant the stock. I thought you meant me to Bark. Oh, okay, got it. Bad joke. Prad really goes deep when he closes his eyes. You know it. I stay deep like Macaw Fife.
Female traders
Kanye,
are
did
the
you get that?
best.
Did you get that? No, he didn't get it. He was too busy. He's too busy. Sorry, Missy, what'd you say?
Sarah says female traders are the best.
Yes, we need more.
Girl power.
Always. We always need more.
How many girls traders do we have
None.
on this floor? Excuse me?
I mean, like, yeah, you won, but like you are not the prop floor trader. Like you are your trader over here,
So
but
say
the
thank
prop
you
floor
that at
trader.
least you have me.
No, we need prop floor traders over here who like smash. I mean, Miss V smashes Tesla all day. Don't get me wrong, but I'm talking about when I started until now. Before Miss V, we had nobody who's a girl who trades, and it's sad. We need more women. We need more female traders out there in the world. Even now, if we pull up our statistics, I think we have 10% female on YouTube.
Well, I'm super happy to see that we have. I have a lot of girlfriends in the chat, though.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sarah Lucas, she says hire me.
Well, you can contact us.
Yeah, Sarah Lucas, where are you located? Sean and Neil Roberts already hitting you up. I like it. All right, Bark. You guys told me to take a look at Bark today with earnings coming up not too far from here. 2% move overall with 1 million shares traded. Kind of illiquid, but overall the move is towards the top side. Higher highs, higher lows, holding VWAP right now. Even at VWAP, we're noticing higher highs, higher lows. So it looks like it wants to gear up to just go higher and higher, and can't wait to see what the earnings report comes out. Honestly, I think I am long in terms of anything. Is this a dog related product? BarkBox. Okay, so anything with pets I am bullish on because of what I saw in the pandemic. 15 people on my neighborhood, just on my street alone, got dogs. 15 people. That's like I went from being the second person on my street to having a dog to now having to not take my dog out for a walk until it's late at night because everyone has a dog and my dog just wants to wild out and act like he owns the street because he was the second dog on the street. So he wants to act like he owns it and fight with other dogs. So now I literally can't walk other dogs. Anyways, besides that rant, the point was the pandemic has made people buy a lot of pets. There's a lot of pets out there that weren't during pandemic. So just off of that, I'm bullish on pet stores in general. And BarkBox obviously being one of them. It's a delivery system for pets like food and clothing. Okay, well, there you go. Is there a Discord channel for TraderTV.Live? Not yet. There will be. I am lazy in terms of doing that. I'm procrastinating. I'll get it done eventually. There are a few people in that server. I don't know how you guys found that server. You guys are hackers. So yeah, eventually we will get that up and running once we have that finalized and the layout for that finalized.
Mike Crehan says that it's like o'clock. If Mike says so, it is like o'clock. Guys, we literally need just 150 more likes to hit 1,000. It would be so great, and we'd really appreciate if you smash the like button right now. We have around 15 minutes to get those up, and we still have more than 2,000 people watching, so please support. Oops.
I don't have enough time.
I keep hitting that one. I wanted to hit this one, so please support it and go long on the like button.
All right, where are we going to? Is it true if I got a Dewey 10 years ago in America, they won't let me into Canada? Ooh, yeah, I know the rules are kind of hard. Like, I mean, obviously, I don't know law that strict, so I can't tell you. So that's the Google question. That's a Google question for sure. But yeah, I can't answer that one. Discord chat system better than YouTube chat or something? No, it's just the offline chat system where, you know, the viewers can continue their friendship or their banter with each other offline when we're not on stream after 4 o'clock. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much and at the end of the day, it's a way for you guys to stay in contact with us offline, and for you guys to stay in contact with each other offline when we're not on stream. Tesla helping to kill the move, but others reported this last move was a sucker's trap. What did I just read? Tesla, let's go see what Tesla is doing. It is struggling to go above 1145, looks like. Sorry, 1045. And it's went as low as 1025 for the intraday. So let's see if we're gonna form in that range, or if QQQs and spies want to completely go to the downside. My stomach is dying. If QQQs and Tesla want to go to the downside, we could see if QQQs and SPY wants to go to the downside, we could see Tesla rock all the way to 1K here. I had to drink water to stop that. The stomach was rumbling. All right, everything in the trading range. Yeah, I know everything's in a range now, kind of sleeper. But this is lunchtime. What more can you expect from this? This is the huge as the kids call it, the huge PPSI 94 today. Chances, but we're looking for the stock to hold above 8. This is the second time it dipped under 8, so it's struggling to hold this barrier. It's struggling to hold VWAP. So 9.4 today. I'll be honest, not today, man. Not today. Go and eat. Yeah, I will. I'm about to get off the line in 10 minutes, so I'll go eat food in a bit. What do you like to eat, V? Yeah, what do you like to eat, Miss V?
My favorite food, I would say spaghetti, pasta.
Really?
Yes,
I would have
love
never
it.
thought that.
Why? What would you say? Yeah, Italian pizza.
It's like so Italian.
Well, that's what I like. And I love Russian food. Like Olivia salad is my favorite. I actually yesterday cooked it. Olivia salad. I cooked it yesterday, so me and my boyfriend can eat it today. I'm so excited.
You didn't bring us any?
Yeah, sure.
I'm joking. Olivia.
No, I should. Actually, I would really want you to try that
I'm joking,
one.
Miss V. Is this what you made?
Yeah. Yeah.
So is this mashed potatoes?
It's not mashed potatoes. It's like potatoes, chicken, peas, onion, mayonnaise, like.
All right. That looks pretty good.
It is.
I'll give you. All right, Miss V's a cook out here. Look at this, man. I guess that iPhone is really paying off for your boyfriend.
Oh.
you got a nice little lunch made for him. That iPhone's paying off.
It's not for that. When you care about someone,
I know.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So, but anyways, I love my new iPhone. What can I say?
I wish I had a new iPhone.
You
Actually,
don't
no,
like
I don't want an
iPhones.
iPhone. Nah. If
You
I
need
had
to
an
find-
iPhone, I'd just give it to my mom. Let's be real.
So you need to find a girl who'll give you Google Pixel. in
There's
your
no
heart.
girls out there who's ever buying a Google phone for their man. Let's be real.
Honestly, it's great. You know, if I had opportunity to buy iPhone for my boyfriend or Google Pixel, I believe Google Pixel cheaper, right?
Yeah, it is.
So it's a great position. You
It
give her
is.
iPhone, she give you Google Pixel.
Yeah. Most girls I've dated, I've all had iPhones actually. Now that I think about it, I don't think I've dated a single Android girl in my life. But yes, any Android girls out there, you know what I'm talking about.
Hook him up.
Hook him up. Hook me up. Nvidia below 300. No way. So every idea that I had is completely wrong so far. Nvidia breaking 300 now to the downside. QQQs are heading to the downside. SPYs are heading to the downside. Let's see if Tesla is going to start doing the same with it. 300 did break, but we instantly whipsawed right back to 300. 295 is obviously what I'm looking for to get long if 300 breaks. So let's see if it goes down there. Let me just show you what I have mapped out on the chart. NVDA, let's go down to 5 days, and then bang. So 295 right here, as you guys can see, is exactly the line that I'm looking at. I have no line drawn at 300 at all. So 302 breaking to the downside. Now I can expect the stock to go to 295, and then if we go to 295, I'll look for a long. And if 295 breaks, I think we're looking for more danger on Nvidia for intraday. Let's look for QQQs. QQQ, my chart looks kind of messed up because of the dark pool print. So there we go. New low a day, 396.64. It says low a day, but we're at 394. What? That makes no sense. So obviously we're at new low a day on QQQ, heading down, almost down 1% right now. Actually down a full percent, and SPYs are down about 0.60. So obviously it is taking the overall market down with it. Nvidia getting a nice little pop off that 300. Let's go see what Tesla is doing. Tesla's coming down. Let's go see what Apple is doing. AAPL, Prad, come on, you know that. AAPL is went down to 149.84 today, but all above 150 overall, so that's good. Let's go see what Micro Hard is doing. 11 million shares traded overall, holding VWAP. Oh no, that's Apple. Actually break rewatch to the downside and going to 335 right now. 335 on the bids for MSFT, looking to find support there. But obviously, if the market wants to continue going lower, I could see 335 not holding up and take Microsoft lower with it. But if market wants to turn around, that'd be a good little spot for punching long on Microsoft, for punching long on Apple, and a bunch of other stocks overall. But yeah, there you go. 335 breaking. We are going to the downside. You got anything?
Can we take a look at AMC actually?
I gotta pee. I drink so much water while sitting here.
Is it Red Bull? Let's be honest.
No, I wish it was.
Yeah?
I love Red Bull,
Me too.
but it's not good for you.
But you would have hiccups all the time.
That's true. The carbon.
Yeah.
Red Bull's so not good for you.
But so tasty.
Oh, it is. I like Monster more than Red Bull though.
It's good too. Green one, right?
I like the mango one.
I have never tried. I've tried.
I'll
green
buy
so
you
good.
one day. The mango
Alright.
one is so good. It's so good. Like especially from India because we can put both of our faces on. Especially from India because in India we get like really juicy mangoes.
Okay.
And like I was born in India. Like I love mangoes. Watermelon and mangoes are my
mango.
two favorite fruits. If my mom anytime brings
Yeah.
those two fruits home, I literally hide them. I hide them and I don't let anyone else eat them. It's mine. They're all mine.
You
Right?
put them under pillow.
No, of course not. But like I try to tell them, hey, that's mine. Don't eat it. Right?
Sticker notes, right?
Yeah, post it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But so for someone who loves mango,
Yeah.
that mango
I
and
wanna
that it
try.
tastes so close to that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
it's
want
so
to
good.
try.
It's so good.
Have you ever tried Hubba Bubba with mango?
I've had Hubba Bubba, but not mango.
Oh, so good. It's my favorite. I've
Alright.
never seen it in Canada though.
No? Yeah, actually you're right. I haven't either. You're right. You're right.
If
You're
you
right.
try Hubba Bubba mango or mango monster drink, let us know.
I love the way she says it, guys. Hubba Booba.
Hubba Bubba.
It's Hubba Bubba.
Hubba Bubba?
Yeah, Hubba Bubba.
Wow, you're changing my world.
It's Hubba Bubba.
Hubba Bubba.
Yeah, it's Hubba Booba. 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 Yeah, Booba. If you guys know the Twitch, if you guys are on Twitch, you know the Booba emo. Hubba Booba. Yeah. We're going to call it Hubba Booba from here on out. It's no longer Hubba Bubba. Hubba Bubba is done. But yeah, unicorn blood. Oh, no. We're not going there right now. We're not going Charlie Sheen style. All right, I'm from Colombia where we have more than 15 natural juices. All right, BBIG, let's go check out what BBIG is doing. We need to get Prad a GF before he ruins the show. No GF ever, no GF ever.
It's on the opposite going to happen if you have girlfriend.
Exactly, I'm not going to show up to the show anymore. I'm not going to flirt with Miss V anymore. It's not going to be fun anymore.
Yeah.
And like you guys are going to miss out on all the fun, man. You sure you guys want me to do that? Because trust me, as soon as I get hooked up, no more flirting. Prad's a serious man. We'll see what BBIG is doing here. We got a little pump on BBIG to the top side. Volume candles coming in. Overall, still not happy with BBIG. Not excited about BBIG in the slightest form because we are not getting that Tide merger or any sort of news. It was supposed to be in October 22nd. We are now November 9th, November 10th. I still have no news from the people who run the company. The company is at this point a joke in my point of view. I've had enough fights on Twitter with people about how the stock is going from $11 to $5 and now it's at $4. So you guys can keep arguing with me all you want, but I'm right, and that's all that matters to me. And not looking forward in this position until it goes above $11. Not looking for it in any shape or form. Don't care for BBIG. This pop is insignificant for me. I want news. I want catalysts. I want information. I want the CEO to talk to me. I don't want Twitter to talk to me. I don't want the people who are punching long on BBIG just because of clown theses on Twitter, just because of clown DD on Twitter to tell me to buy this position and then lose on it because no one is giving me other information on besides that. So I am not going to talk about BBIG in a good form at all. Wasn't there PR yesterday for BBIG? Well, where's the PR, my friend? We're down 4%. Where's the PR? Where's the CEO coming out and talking? Where's the Tide merger? You know how many people have gone burned on this? You know how many of my friends have gone burned on this? I don't enjoy this position at all. I need the CEO to come out and talk about it. Let me get that CEO just so I could. Yeah, dude, BBIG is insane. I need news. I need news before I touch it. Wait until the real price comes out. Yeah, I need news. Prad, the whole market down, I get it, but this stock was down even before the market down, my man. Before the market was down. BBIG has been down for multiple times, multiple days, not today, not one day, not yesterday. BBIG has been horrible for time on time now. You know how many people were just hoping for that Tide merger at $11 and it's now at $5? And when I said be careful, it's going to $5, you guys just completely yelled at me. Like, man, it's that simple as seeing where the volume is and playing where the volume is. The Mad Prad. No, I'm looking out for people. That's all it is. I'm not gonna give this call out for anyone. I wouldn't give this call out to my mother. Why would I give it to you? BBIG to the moon. I'm a joke. I mean, yeah, more power to you. I need catalyst. It could very well go to the moon, but I need a catalyst. I'm not gonna do it before that catalyst. I did scalp it. I did scalp the hell out of it. When BBIG was ripping, I did make a money out of that. Prad's a shill. Yes, that's exactly right. I'm just sitting here shilling out horrible ideas to you guys and keeping the best to myself. Let's go. BBIG is the third best trade. Your third best trade. All right, well, let's go. You're killing it. That's what I like to see. As long as people are making money, that's all that matters. But BBIG to the long side is no trade for me overall. Prad, you don't owe no explanation, brother. Thank you. Thank you, Boom Squad. Thank you.
Trent A is saying down on EFGO from 17s. I need some kind words from Miss V. Well, Trent A, I wish you all the luck. I hope you recover soon and find more opportunities. And I hope the stock will move the way you want it. All the luck to you. I squid.
Oh, you're good. You're good. Prad, you ever play Ultima Online? No, I've never heard of it, honestly, to be... yeah, I've never heard of it. Don't know if it's an MMORPG or what, but yeah, I've never heard of it. Agreed, you owe no explanation. Don't listen to trolls. You know, I can't help it. My mind, as soon as I read a negative comment, I have to fight them because I have an ego, because I have a you know, somewhat of a... ego that I gotta kill. I gotta kill my ego, so I gotta, but I can't help it. It's something that I'm learning. I'm learning to not read every single negative comment and let it affect me to my mental. But when I stand on something with all my heart, then I do it with all my heart. I don't defer from it. So BBIG is one of those. I can't have people lose more money on this stock if there is no active catalyst coming out. Prad, enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, sir. We are up big time in the money after losing all the money off the open.
So
remember what I said I was at?
Yeah.
Then remember what I wasn't at?
Yes.
Then remember what I was at?
Yeah.
Now I'm more than that.
In a good.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
So,
I'm not even on camera. No.
oh yeah, bring it on. Yeah, let's go.
Let's
so
go.
Thank you, Miss V, for wearing the green today, because you helped me out.
Well, that's all that matters.
That's all that matters. You want me to sign me off and then you, or you and me?
We can do it at the same time. Well, just real quick, thank you very much, guys, for spending this time with us. Guys, can't wait to start the Power Hour show. Stay here. You will be transferred automatically.
Yep.
And yes, by the way, we need just 30 more likes to hit 1,000. So please rush and smash the like. We love you.
People wanted an ape chest. You know what? For a big day for me here, I'll give it to you. Straight on. You go straight on to the 2 o'clock show. We'll be back tomorrow, 11 o'clock.
Paka, paka.
There we go. Now you should be able to hear me. It's day number 2, as I was saying, for the extended Power Hour version. Into the close, we're going to take you right through to 4 o'clock now and get into a whole bunch of things that are moving around since the morning. Let's have a look first off